What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Everyone's saying everyone's saying I'm rude. Jordan's so rude. He's late. He's late again. Well, Bitcoin is currently breaking out of our wedge once again. We have firmly broken this little wick here, and coming down and have now broken that third touch on the wedge. So let's play some pump music to start out the damn stream. Let's go, boys. All right, guys. Hope you guys had a fantastic Sunday. I hope that we can play that music about 10 times today. Let's hope that we can play this music 10 times today, because this is another breakout of the damn wedge. Guys, do we have to say it again? Every falling wedge plays out. Every single falling wedge. Now, it might just because we're in an upwards trend, right? A lot of times these bullish patterns break out to the upside on a bullish trend, but we have now once again played out another wedge to the upside. I think we're like 8 for 8 or 9 for 9 at this point with these damn wedges. But anyways, we have broken that to the upside. Originally, I was looking at it something like this, and then I sort of took it for the wick just in case, right? Worst case scenario. But it looks like we've broken that one on the wick too. So let's see if we can hold this. Right now, we're getting a little bit of a sort of hesitation here by Bitcoin right at that price level right there. I'm thinking it's just because you have a local high at that point right there. But let's see if Bitcoin can hold that on this little pump here. On this little pump. Now you guys can see that the beginning or the title of the stream is another Bitcoin wedge, but be careful, right? Why did I name the stream another Bitcoin wedge, but be careful, right? You guys know that I love my wedges. When they break out to the upside, they always plan out, right? And I think this one, most likely will, granted, unless we get some like weird little fake out here, which really hasn't happened just yet, but we'll continue to watch this. Why did I say that? Why did I say that? Well, I don't want to start out the stream extremely bearish. If this wedge actually plays out and we actually get another pump to the upside, this is going to nullify, right, this next fractal that I want to look at, okay? Now, this is sort of obviously on smaller term time frames. But basically what I did is I took our top from up here when we went up to 65K and just basically scaled it down, right? I basically scaled down the top that we had. This right here is basically this price action up here. Now I scaled it down, right? Just to sort of see what we're kind of forming. I thought I saw something kind of similar, not perfect, but and then I sort of overlaid it on our current price action. Now, you could see the somewhat resemblance here, right? The first peak, the second peak, the third peak, the fourth peak. Now, this is what I'm saying. If our wedge plays out, which right now it's sort of just hovering right there. If it does play out, right, and we can get another higher high, that would nullify this sort of fractal for me, right? But it is something that I saw that was pretty similar. I don't want to scare everyone away, but if this does continue to follow this and we get another dip here, come back down, something like this, right? And then sort of round out again, could potentially be looking like a kind of a fractal from up here, maybe for a little bit of a bigger dip, maybe something down to, the $37,000, $38,000 range. Before we continue up. But nevertheless, that's something we'll continue to watch. But I did want to state that kind of want this wedge to break up to the upside, right? This is why I want it to break up to the upside. So we'll see what Bitcoin does here at the current moment. But right now, we are literally just sitting right at support. Sitting right at damn support.
My alarm clock just...
Holy.
So I know it's... 1,000 euros.
Jordan the bear. Jordan the Bear. I love how I can be bullish every single day, and the one time I pull out a little bit bearish fractal, everyone's like, Jordan's such a bear. Jordan's such a bear. Guys, if this does play out, it's not going to make, that doesn't mean we're going to go into the oblivion, right? Basically what we did last time in this fractal is we came back down to the original first little peak. So if this played out, it basically would be a move to somewhere around like 40,000 to 37,000 if this does play out. Now, like I say, it is going to play out. You guys know I don't take fractals seriously, just like the bullish ones, right? I don't take them seriously. It's more for just to watch to see if it kind of plays out, and it's more so for just for fun, right? Obviously, this one's not as fun because it's a bearish one, but nevertheless, we'll watch that, right? 4-hour chart, right? This is the wedge that we're currently in, right? So we have the wedge, the little bit of wedge. Oh, hold up. Cardano 262. Cardano's about to make another high here as well, which if Cardano can break these 4-hour highs here, we will come back and we will party it up like we never partied up with Cardano before. We will go absolutely hard. Cardano 262 though, as it just continues to rise, which is pretty exciting. Jordan went day drinking with Savvy. That's funny, dude. Jordan went day drinking with Savvy. But yeah, so this is the wedge we're talking about right now, right? This is the 1-hour wedge on the 4-hour chart. If we break this to the upside, right, I think there's a pretty good possibility, you know, as long as we don't top out at our previous high at like 40, right at like 50,000. I think it's a good possibility that you know, we come up and try to at least get up to our golden pocket, right? We're still talking about this $51,000 to $52,000 range, which could be the potential point where we could get a slight pullback, right? Maybe come back down and test our sort of rising channel that we've been in since the beginning of this move, right? You guys can see we just kind of keep going up and down in this rising channel. So I'm still watching that as a possibility if we do break this wedge to the upside. That's the bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, we get rejected here and we sort of just kind of stay in this wedge until Bitcoin decides what it wants to do. Maybe it does something like that, or we come down, right? So it really comes down to this wedge. It looks like we got a confirmed breakout, but this could just be the back test, and then maybe we sort of start moving back up here relatively shortly. I don't think this Bitcoin move is done unless we see some shenanigans from Bitcoin, which we never really can. We never really can sort of count out, right, as far as shenanigans with Bitcoin. Let's see. I miss Jazz. It's all right, guys. It's all right. We have plenty of ladies in the chat that can take up here. Oh, no one can replace Jazz, but we have plenty of ladies in the chat where you guys can glamour over. Okay. Anyways, 49,302 at the current level. Anyways, on the daily, same kind of thing, guys. I like what we did today on the daily chart. It was actually really nice. What's up, Josh? No more day drinking. I promise I'm not day drinking. I promise I didn't go day drinking with Savvy today. That's not why I'm bearish. I'm not really bearish, guys. I'm just looking at a fractal, right? Just looking at a fractal, just like my bullish fractals. You can throw them right out the window, right? They're just more so for fun. All right, Bitcoin looks like it's trying to get its peak back in here. Let's get this party started. Let's see if we break 49,400 here. Here we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. I need a helmet on. What the heck is this? I need my damn helmet on. Let's see. There we go. All right. Why do I not have the damn helmet on? Give me those helmets in the chat right now. Give me those helmets in the chat. We all need our moon helmets on right now to help propel Bitcoin to the levels that we want it to be at. Looks like Ethereum also getting a nice bounce off our 0.5 Fibonacci. We will talk about Ethereum in a second, but what a nice bounce from Ethereum off that 0.5 Fib. ETH getting a nice move up here. And Cardano pushing 263 right at its highs on the 4 hour there. Can Cardano make another high on the 4 hour time frame? Let's freaking go. BB, it's me. Not nice to ban. Come on, man. I gotta ban this one too. I gotta ban this one too, man. Come on, man. Stop saying stuff about... Come on, guys. It's really one guy. Come on, man. All right, 49,424. Bitcoin continuing up. ETH is coming back up to its 236. Let's see if we can break that level. If it does, I could see ETH getting a nice bounce there. And we'll go from there. Anyways, the daily chart. I love the daily chart on Bitcoin, all right? You can see right here our previous highs on the daily from August 14th. Look at what we did today. We wicked down, and once again, we back tested those levels as support. We've actually done it 2 days in a row here, where we came back down and wicked and confirmed that as support and get a nice bounce both days. So as of right now, the structure is still bullish, right? Until we come back down and we make a lower low on the daily, we're still bullish. We're just back testing our previous highs, right? Previous resistance turned into new support, as my old weird self would say. I tend to say a lot of weird stuff. Anyone who watched my OG videos, you can see the beardless Jordan talk about, 50-cent chain link and whatever, 5-cent Cardano. What's up, Will? Will became a Jordan member. What's going on, Will? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good, man. All right, 49.4. So, yeah, the daily still has a bullish structure, guys. What we need to do on the daily, please, Bitcoin, please to make today be the day. I'm begging you. I am begging you. Can you please get rid of this bearish divergence in the daily? We've done it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're coming up on it again. Can we please break this downwards resistance on the RSI? I will do anything for this. So I can stop hearing the bears talk about this bearish divergence. All we got to do is break this previous high right here. Now, preferably I like to break this one, right? But we're not that far off. We just need to get one little nice pump up, and we should break this damn downtrend of resistance here that's been plaguing us since really the end of July, right? And I think if we can break that, we can get some momentum for a bigger move, other than this kind of, up and down moves that we've seen for the past, 2 weeks or so. Let's see if we can break that in the daily. That's really what I'm watching for. And the same thing on the daily, guys. Not much resistance until we get up here, between 51,000 and 52,000. Our golden pocket for BTC, 51, 52,000. Weekly just continues to look strong. And there's nothing else to really say on the weekly. And as of right now, look at where we broke on the weekly time frame. We know we had our weekly closes from back here in April, right? That was kind of our swing level we were waiting for BTC. Previous support here on the wick, right? Now, if we break this level, which we did, right? 49.3 on the weekly, okay, which we're actually slightly above right now. If we can continue that momentum, we really don't have anything until up here. We talk about like 58,000 or so as far as the weekly time frame goes. So Bitcoin just continues to look really, 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 really strong on the weekly time frame. It really doesn't look any different. It just every week, I feel like we look at this every day and just kind of continuing up there. So that looks good. Weekly indicators, we're right at that level on the RSI, guys. This is the level to break on the weekly RSI. We go up a little bit more. Like, I'm thinking 51,000. We get up to like 51,000. We're going to break this level on the weekly RSI, and we know that's our swing level. That sort of tells us if we're continuing into a bear market or if we're continuing into a bull market, right? That's our swing level. We couldn't break this level in 2018 bear market, right? When we had our dead cat bounces, right? And I don't even think I can compare. Look at this bounce here compared to these little dimpy 2018 dead cat bounces, right? Dimpy. So freaking dimpy. And then same thing here in 2014, right? We did a similar type dead cat bounce in 2014, came up to this yellow line, couldn't break it and continued down. Now, if we can break this, I think there's a second run coming here, just like in 2013. We came back up to it, and we broke it, and we continued up, right? So very, very, very important level right now. I think it's very, very obvious that we're on an important level from a macro standpoint as well. That can really distinguish us going into a bear market or into a bull market here. Come on, BTC. Give me some juice, brother. You're at a little bit of a high here, a little bit of a high here. So you got some resistance at this level. So that's why Bitcoin's probably not just skyrocketing up, because you do have some resistance here. But we break that. I think you really have much into your highs, which is pretty exciting here. ETH is still going up though. 32.31 for ETH, and Cardano 263. Let's frickin' go. Cardano 263. If we close up here now, that's our highest 4-hour close in the history of Cardano. Never mind the highest daily close on the history of Cardano. Continue to make history here. Really, just continue to make history. It's amazing. It's amazing. Bitcoin at 49,420. It's a pretty good number there. Pretty good number. And Bitcoin just broke its highs too. So let's see if Bitcoin can continue this rally here. Here we go. Here we go on Bitcoin. I think we're going up to test our highs here. Right? It seems kind of far-fetched, but if you look, we broke this short-term level here. Right there. See all these highs we just broke? Boom, boom. All the way across, and now you got pretty much free range here until your highs, man. Exciting stuff. Pretty much free range. Yeah, same thing on the 4-hour. You see, your previous 4-hour close highs were right there, and it looks like you're above it right now. Now, if you can close up here, you can get a close above 49,350. You're looking good to continue this in for the rest of the stream. It's going to be really, really fun. Holy ETH. Look at this bounce. Look at this girthy. It actually doesn't look that girthy, but it actually is a pretty girthy because of the wick, right? It's a pretty girthy candle because of the wick, but it doesn't look girthy. But you got to remember it was all the way down here earlier. I only trust you for Rune TA. We'll look at it in a second, John. Bitcoin is pushing 49.5 now as we speak. 49.5. Guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys are already fans of the stream, make sure you guys hit that like button. As you know, we're going to have fun in the stream no matter what the price action is for Bitcoin. Okay? All I want to do is break this damn bearish fractal. And in order for us to do it, we just need to make a higher high. We make a higher high here. Right? We just get up somewhere in this $50,000 range. That breaks this sort of fractal for me. So, we shall see, guys. We shall see. That was a pretty good one, though. I'll give you some credit on that one, man. That was a pretty good one. All right, where are we here? Where are we sitting? We have 400 likes, 1,800 people in here. Not a bad ratio. I think we could do a little bit better, though, personally. Kind of just jumping through some coins here, guys. But basically, guys, I mean, we're at a very key level. Are we peaking over the weekly yet? Nope, not quite yet. Peaking over the weekly. The daily RSI resistance, we're right at it. A little bit higher. If we can get to 50K, I think we're going to be very, very close to breaking that. And that's pretty important in my opinion. Might not seem like it, but bearish divergence on the daily is no joke. And if we can break that, I think that's going to be very, very nice. going forward here for us.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin charts.
You guys are like, what the heck was that, man? All right, Bitcoin 49.5. They're sort of continuing up here on 49.520. Hit that like button. Let's go. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. All right, let's go. Let's go jump onto ETH real quick.
This is my wife, Ethereum.
Let's go over to Ethereum real quick. While we wait for Bitcoin's next move. All right, ETH, look at that. We broke the 236 fib. So we had our swing low to swing high Fibonacci targets. We came back down, bounced off the 0.5 Fibonacci. Okay, right, bounced right off the 0.5 Fibonacci, and sort of bounced off some of our previous lows too. So this is nice. Basically, what we've been watching for Ethereum, guys. I like our bounce we're getting right now, but you know, to be absolutely real, to keep it real, as they would say, sort of, we're kind of just stuck in a range. You know, this is our range for ETH. You know, between 29.50 and about 39, 29.50 and about 33.50. It really just like in between this range. If we can get out of this range, which I think is coming here. What's up, MT? Hope you're doing good, man. Which I think is coming, right? We just broke that 0.5 Fibonacci level. I think a move at least back up to our previous highs here at 33.11 is imminent here. And yes, I used the word imminent, right? May not happen this 4-hour candle, but it certainly could. We certainly get a girthy candle here, because you don't really have, you get some resistance, but it's really just this high here. That could be coming next for ETH, right? It's really just breaking out of this damn range. If we get rid of this, look at this range, just down, up, just got to break this little range here, and I think that is could be coming today. Let's see what we kind of did. Nothing on there. Was there bullish divergence on the 4-hour? Not quite either. And the 1-hour, not quite. Okay. But yeah, nice little bounce there on ETH. It really just comes down to, can we break out of this damn range for Ethereum? And we know on the daily for ETH, right? Everyone's saying ETH is being quiet. Why is Ethereum being quiet? A lot of people forget that Ethereum in like 2 weeks went from 1,700 to like 3,200. Did like a 2x in like 2 weeks. But if Ethereum can break this resistance right here, okay. What's up, man? Hope you're doing good, dude. We'll go to the super chats in just a second, guys. I just want to touch on some of the main coins here, and then we'll jump over to the super chats. But if we can break this resistance right here at 33.32, you really don't have much here to ETH until at least 3,600. It'd be a pretty quick move up there. I'm going to post this right here. You have a couple peaks there from that level, but I mean, you get it back above that, I think you're getting back up into the 4,000s, right? This is obviously assuming Bitcoin continues up, right? There's no issues with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dips, Ethereum dips, as we all know, right? I think we're all smart enough to realize that fact now, right? But it was really a beautiful little consolidation here for ETH. I mean, you consolidated, let the daily EMA ribbon catch up to you, bounce right off of it, and then just continue your run. Beautiful. As long as Bitcoin can continue its run here. Trash coin. The Wedge. Come on, BTC, 50. Oh, we need a poll. We need a damn poll. Will Bitcoin hit 50K tonight? Yes or no in the chat? Will Bitcoin hit 50K in the chat? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat. It's got to be tonight, though. It's got to be tonight. It can't be at 12:01. It can't be at 12:10 at midnight. It can't be tomorrow. Gotta be tonight. Everyone's gonna vote yes. Everyone's so hyped right now. Everyone's voting yes. All right, guys, that's really the gist of what's going on with ETH. Not much has changed. Just got to break this range. Real quick, let me... Actually curious about like the MACD. I haven't looked at this in a while. In convincing manner, George Dojo pump. So the MACD on Ethereum is just kind of flat, right? It can flip bullish any day now. It could flip bullish tomorrow if it really wanted to here. So not much. I don't like looking at the MACD on sort of anything lower than the weekly. To me, it's kind of useless because it really just depends on the price action. You know what I mean? And then the weekly on ETH. Oh, come on, man! You cannot have the weekly more beautiful than this. You can't. Look at the weekly, guys. It's beautiful. Let's get out of log so you guys can see it a little better. Look at this weekly chart. Okay. Right, the wick was right to about there. Look at this, guys. Your previous resistance on the weekly flipped into new support on the weekly on a perfect wick. Now you're getting that buy pressure out of that wick back up. That is such textbook resistance into support flip. That is beautiful. Now we just need that. You just need that confirmation to continue here, right? Obviously, tonight is Sunday. It's the damn weekly close. I'm liking this. As long as we close something like this and we kind of continue the price action up here, I really, really like that back test on that weekly close. I personally do. So, really, really nice. Weekly still looks great. Weekly still looks great. Still firmly above our moving averages. So not really we're so far above our moving averages on Ethereum that it really doesn't even make sense talking about them every day, because it's sort of one of those things that, you know, doesn't really make sense to talk about, right? Full moon pump. Yeah, you guys are saying the new moon comes out today for Bitcoin. So that usually means that we're at a bottom. And like I said yesterday, if this is a bottom, right, based on the moon chart, I don't even want to know where the top is. This isn't even a dip. So if this is the damn bottom, who knows where the top of it is? If you guys like the moon cycles. I don't know if I like the moon cycles. Anyways, let's go check on ADA. 263.50. So it looks like we just got up as high as 264 there on Cardano for a second. But what are we doing? Just another beautiful resistance. Okay, let me quickly put that on the screen for you guys. But just clearly another resistance into support flip. Right, and it really started from yesterday of us breaking out of this sort of bull flag and continuing up. Beautiful. So you broke out of the bull flag, you came back down, back tested your previous resistance as support. Now let's hope that you can continue this run. It probably even looks even better on the daily chart. You actually bring that up. Beautiful, beautiful. What's up, Sky? What's up, Shundi? Take a look at those in a second, man. Let me go to the daily real quick. Look at the daily. It's beautiful. I love calling coins beautiful, but it's really the coins. You know, it's Ethereum, Cardano. I actually took Cardano out to lunch today because Ethereum this morning was being a little bit emotional, right? This was ETH this morning. She was being a little bit emotional, and I sort of I brought Cardano. I brought Cardano out this morning for breakfast. She really enjoyed it. I'm kind of liking Cardano a little bit better. Lately.
Massive promotion. EG.
Oh, we will do. But yeah, we know we broke our previous highs, right? We struggled with it for 2 days. And today, Cardano said, do you want to continue struggling with your all-time highs? Well, it came out and simply said,
Nope, 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 nope.
So what's technically our next target for Cardano? Well, we're in price discovery now, so there's not a lot to sort of go off of. What we can say is, we take our Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and we extrapolate that up, right? Our 1.618 Fibonacci target is at all the way up at $3.38. Now, I'm not going to say that's going to happen in one day, right? A lot can happen in between there, right? Maybe a pullback, a retest of the highs before continuing up, something like this. You know, come back, retest, and then sort of make your way up. Not going to say it's going to happen in one day, but obviously, assuming that Bitcoin doesn't take a major dump, I think that's where we're going to be ended up going here, especially going into September, right? Which is hopefully going to be a bullish month for Cardano, with obviously all the stuff coming out in September. JC needs it. Cardano is not girl though. Cardano is a girl, okay? I don't want to hear it. I took her out for breakfast this morning. Trust me, I know she's a girl. I know she's a girl. Trust me. All right, 263.50. We know what's coming up next for Cardano. Let's check our... Dude, we're so far overextended right now for ADA. That's the only thing that's like a little bit worrisome. But when a coin is this bullish, I don't really get too worried because the TA only tells you so much of the story, right? Now, right now, you do have some bearish divergence on Cardano, right? Obviously, I mean, it's hard not to when a coin pumps like this, right? So you have some bearish divergence. You're pretty overextended from your EMA ribbon. Usually two signs that you might need a pullback at some point. I don't think you're going to get a pullback until Bitcoin does, though. Unless Bitcoin gets some big pullback, I just think Cardano has so much bullish news and just has so much hype around it right now. Especially, I mean, if you guys saw the BitBoy video today, I'm not going to comment on that, but you know, I think there's so much hype on Cardano right now. I don't think Cardano pulls back unless we see Bitcoin get a pullback. Even though it does have some slightly bearish signs coming up, but you know, nonetheless, I don't think that we see that pullback just yet. I just don't see it. You know. All right, let's go on to the weekly time frame real quick. Holy moly! Look at the weekly. Beautiful. It's beautiful. If I had a kid, this is what I would want it to look like. This is what I want it to look like. Look at that weekly chart on Cardano. It's beautiful. So yeah, I mean, it looks like we're gonna get that weekly close above the previous all-time highs, clearly above the previous all-time high close. Very, very. Look at these two weekly candles here. Holy moly, that is bearish. That is super bearish right here. When you get two girthy candles that big that are green, that is super, super bearish. And this screams dead cat bounce. This screams dead cat bounce right here. This is what that's screaming to me. Dead cat bounce. But no, in all seriousness, super bullish. Same thing. I'm expecting 337. And based off the size of these green candles, I wouldn't be surprised if you got up there in a week. If obviously pertaining that Bitcoin continues doing what it's doing now, right? So still looking good on that. And do I even dare look at the holy moly? You guys need to spam the pickles in the chat right now. Holy. Look at the size of that monthly candle, bro. Holy moly. My hands fell. That is the girthiest candle. That is the girthiest monthly candle that I've ever seen. That's insane. That's insane monthly. I had to play the pop music for that girthy monthly candle. This is what a dead cat bounce looks like, guys. This is what a dead cat bounce looks like. Look at that damn monthly candle, dude. Holy crap. But anyways, yeah. I mean that's Cardano for you. Me and Kayla gets good at that one. but yeah, obviously we know Cardano looks good, guys. It's sort of just doing its thing. So we'll continue to watch that. But holy moly, man, that's nuts. That's completely nuts. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin here. 354 right now for Bitcoin. So we haven't quite gotten that next, pump up just yet. Maybe Bitcoin's waiting for that new daily close. We got the new daily close coming in approximately 24 minutes. 24 minutes into our daily close and our weekly close, actually, which is pretty nice. Java short and ADA a month ago. Not girth meant width, not height. Means both when it comes to crypto, man. You gotta have girth, both height and width. Okay? When it comes to crypto. Your helmet is fogging up. Yeah, it's getting a little bit too hot in the helmet, guys. Getting way too hot in the helmet. I'm gonna keep it on just for you guys though. Alright, let's go over some of the macro time frame. I always say macro time frame stuff, but it's sort of not it's not time frame. I don't know why I say it like that, but just me, I guess. Just me being kind of weird, I guess. Wait, hold on. Wait. What? Java, you okay? Java, hold on. I think Java's passing out right now. Hold up. I think Java's freaking passing out. I gotta go help him, guys. Java. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Java, we're not doing this again. Wake up. But Jordan, they told me double top. They told me Cardano was gonna double top. They told me that these coins wouldn't be making new all-time highs. They told me dead cat bounce. Get up. They all told me these coins wouldn't make all-time highs. They told me double top. This random guy on YouTube that I watched told me Cardano was gonna double top. He told me that coins don't make new all-time highs on dead cat bounces. So I shorted ADA. I keep listening to the wrong people. This is ridiculous. Every day I have to get up and look at myself in the mirror and say, I'm fat and I shorted the best performing market of all time. You guys couldn't do that. You don't know how it feels to be fat and to short crypto. All right. Java's having a tough day. Java's having a tough day right now. Bitcoin right now, 266. All right, this Cardano, 266 right now for Cardano as we continue higher here on the new, not the new day, but the current day, going into the new day. And Bitcoin still chilling. And Ethereum still trying to bounce here. Still trying to bounce on Captain ETH. Anyways, total market cap, another green day. Another green day on the total market cap. Once again, we talked about a perfect retest of the previous high flipped into new support. It's literally beautiful. Previous high flipped into new support, now looking to move back up. We talked about how, guys, We don't have really anything here until all the way up here. There's nothing. Literally nothing until all the way up here at 2.28 trillion. So we're going to continue to watch this, but this continues to just look really, really freaking good after breaking out of that wedge. Total 2 market cap, same exact thing. Look at guys, we talked about how bullish this was yesterday, breaking this previous high from back here. And now what have we done today? Trying to flip it into support. Same exact thing. And on total 2, it's even more exciting. We don't have anything until all the way up here. It went straight up, straight down. So you can realistically go up about 30% pretty quickly, assuming Bitcoin can break above probably its golden pocket area. You're probably going to see altcoins go absolutely nuts. I won't be surprised to see this move up pretty damn quickly. Obviously, assuming Bitcoin doesn't pull back, right? That's the main thing. But guys, do not doubt the falling wedge on any time frame, big time frame, small time frame, mini 1 second time frame. Do not doubt the falling wedge. Okay? Beautiful. Anyways, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what we got here. Still getting rejected at that 45% level, right? Your previous lows, right, flipped into new resistance. Now we haven't gotten that confirmation dive back down yet, which I'm very surprised at, considering Bitcoin's been going sideways and we've seen a lot of altcoins make some moves. But if this continues to get rejected, I'm still expecting this to come back down to about 39% if the market stays bullish, right? If the market stays bullish. It's the weekend, so a lot of these things haven't moved, guys, but the DXY still just chilling right here. I'm looking for this to do something along this lines. Come back up, come back down, break out of the wedge, come back up to retest, get rejected, come back down. What I'm expecting out of the DXY here. We don't want this to continue up for crypto, even though Bitcoin's been performing pretty well considering, right? Looks like ADA's going up again, guys. 267 right now. If we break 268, we'll play the pump music. 268, we got the pump music for ADA. Okay, I think it's going to happen pretty soon here. That's the DXY, and then obviously the S&P really hasn't moved since yesterday. But we'll do a quick sneak peek. Obviously bullish going into next week, which is a good sign too. Right? We had a quick dip, bounced off our previous highs, continue up. So all looks good right now. 260, come on, 268, 100K, no pullbacks. That would probably piss off a lot of people, right? I think that would be the ultimate troll thing for Bitcoin to do. So a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines waiting for that dip to come for BTC, and if it doesn't come, that's pretty trolly. That's pretty trolly. We need a whale right now. We need a whale. Come on, whale, eat up that dip, or eat up that ADA. Eat it up. Eat it up. Here we go. And there we go. Over 268. Let's go. And anything else really moving right now? Dude, ADA's up 10% today. That's nuts. Looks like Matic is trying to move up too. Matic's getting a little bit of a move too, guys. ADA's chilling. Not a lot of moves on some of these coins today. But ADA is the real deal today, guys. ADA is the real deal today. 268 on ADA. As we continue up, we know what's coming next, right? Seems far away, but it can happen pretty quickly. 338. I told you yesterday was a bull flag. Facts, Craig. You were right, dude. You were right. Congrats. I bow to you, Craig. I bow to you. All right, let's jump through some of these super chats here, and then we will sort of Um, watch Bitcoin go into the new day. Obviously, it's a new week, guys, so we could be seeing some crazy stuff coming for Bitcoin going into this week. There's another extremely bullish weekly close as of right now, with really no wick on the top. I'm liking this as a continuation, as another continuation candle. Very, very nice. Another bullish candle going into the week. So we still got 14 minutes. Maybe we can make it even more bullish. Who knows? My alarm clock just rang, so I know it's Jordan time. I hit 45K plus today on Cardano. Hope you are fine, bro. Wes got 45K plus on Cardano today. Holy crap, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Going to the friggin' moon, Wes. Holy crap, dude. That's awesome, man. Congrats. Zubair said, what do you think about XLM future? I used to kind of like XLM just for its volatility. The problem is the volatility for XLM hasn't been there. So it's sort of lost its appeal to me. Now, when XLM moves, it moves, right? It's just a matter of when. Could be due. Could be due here. Just hasn't moved yet. Just sort of looking at this. And you should be getting a move up here to 42.4. Test some of these previous highs here. Coming up next year, but just haven't really got that upwards momentum, man. You're kind of just chilling. We just bring up our daily EMA ribbon. So you bounced off of it nicely, but a lot of other coins bounced off of it, continue up. XLM just sort of not moving. I think it's just kind of following Bitcoin to a T. Just it's not. It's about as strong as Bitcoin, which you don't want from an altcoin, but. Yeah, you just got to get that continued momentum up. Let's go to the smaller time frame, see if we have any clues in there, really. I don't think there's going to be, but let's see. Yeah, it looks a lot like XRP, actually, where you sort of got this upwards trend line. Depending on how you're going to draw it, I mean, you got this downwards trend line, too. I think you see a move relatively soon here to maybe get you back up to 42.4. I think it's gonna come when Bitcoin comes. You can see how you're getting this bounce when Bitcoin had a bounce. So I think if Bitcoin continues up, XLM is gonna see 42.4 most likely, man. Most likely. Josh said, appreciate your consistent TA. No more day drinking. No more day drinking, man. We're done. We're done. Will became a member. What's going on, Will? They could be becoming a member of the channel, dude. What's up, Jake? Hope you have an awesome day, my man. I saw you killed some trades on Twitter. That was pretty cool, man. Always good to see the homies making gains. For sure. John said, I only trust you for Rune TA. Rune? I don't know if you would trust me for Rune TA, man. I don't really look at Rune. But that was kind of funny. Let's take the swing high to swing low on the fibs. Actually, this fits very, very nicely. Very, very nicely. So I like the setup. So you had your previous high here at the 382 fib. Looks like you broke it. On this last daily candle, you came back down to test it. And as of right now, you're holding that as support. Now, if that can be a nice little support into resistance flip there, I like that to continue up. Now, this 0.5 fib doesn't have a lot at it. So I don't think that's going to give you much resistance. Just looking left, there's really not much, support resistance at that level. This golden pocket zone is going to be tough, though. You see, you got two previous highs up there, plus your golden pocket. So I think that's your next target, and that's upwards of like 1420, to 1470, somewhere in that range for that next move for Rune. But you got some more room to run to the upside in the daily. Still looks really good. And then it looks like you also broke out of a, let me just post this up, sort of a head and shoulders tight pattern. Here, let me actually bring this up here. A little bit head and shoulders tight pattern. Looks like you broke out of that. And this could have been a back test of that as well, right here. That could potentially push you up too. So I like that. I like that a lot for Rune personally, man. Cardano, bro. 270. 270 coming back right now for Cardano, guys.
Strap up. We're going to the
We need
moon.
another whale. We need another whale.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
That's awesome, Wes. Thanks, you, Wes. I find it awesome that you put your alarm clock on and get up when I go live. That's pretty fun, man. That means a lot. Seriously, thank you, Wes. Thank you, Wes, dude. All right, 269 on Cardano. Pretty good number if you ask me. Multiple reasons. Think about it for a second. 269, come on. Everyone in the chat, cringe, cringe, cringe. You know, I can see all the Karens in the chat right now going, don't make those jokes. YouTube's only for is for kids too. Crypto streams are supposed to be for kids. Crypto's not 18 plus. Don't make those jokes. Don't make 69 jokes. What is this? What is this, an adult stream? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I can already see it now. But 268. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit here on right before the daily close. I think it could be fine though. I think we could just be confirming sort of the support right here before the daily close. So I actually would like if we close this candle right here. This would be perfect. Perfect. Now I don't want to go lower. I want to confirm this candle right here and then sort of continue up right on the daily close. That would be awesome in my personal opinion. That'd be awesome. There was a Karen in here earlier who said 1-year-old is watching. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Karen needs a MAGA hat. Karen needs... Alright, so yeah, let's see if Bitcoin can close right here as a nice back test candle. Now, if you go a little bit lower, I don't want to close below this trend line. I don't want to close. I want to close right there. Come on. Come on, BTC. Hold that trend line, my guy. We only need 7 more minutes. Hold it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. You hold right there. And nothing really as far of a pattern here on ETH. The one pattern I could see here on ETH, guys, actually, if you look at this, it's actually kind of perfect. If you can round this out, you know, could have a nice inverse head and shoulders here on ETH. If you can round this out. But you got to round it out. Right there. Johnny said, Jordan, I drunkenly bought Doge. Please look at it and make me feel less bad about myself. Why did you drunkenly buy Doge, Johnny? That sounds awesome. That sounds awful, man. Vicky. All right, Bitcoin looks like it's going to hold there as of right now. So we're doing pretty good there. What's up, Jordan? Always enjoy the stream, man. Not much, MT. Not much, MT. I was doing a lot of stuff today before I go on vacation. I was cleaning a little bit, packing, going to the store, buying some stuff that I needed for vacation. That's really what I did today. You know, shopping, cleaning, packing, laundry. Just sort of a you know, a get ready day for vacation. You know, everyone, when you go on vacation, you got to get everything all set up. So when you come back, it's not a crap show. That's what the day was for me. It didn't really rain as hard. It rained for like maybe 2 or 3 hours today. That was way overblown. Love from Milton Keynes, Patreon member. What's going on, Farhan? What's going on, Farhan? Hope you're doing good, man. All right, guys, 5 minutes to the close. 5 minutes until the close. Looks like Bitcoin's good to go for this breakout as of right now. Looks like we held that pretty nicely as the back test. ETH on the 15 is a baby wick off on the 15 minute. Why are we looking at the 15 minute for a wick off? Let's see. A baby wick off. Let's see. A baby wick off? It is kind of a baby wick off, huh? And you know what this kind of looks like? It kind of looks like the Bitcoin chart, but like now with the dead cat bounce. So you had the wick off, play out, and then a major dump, and then this was the bounce that we're currently getting. It kind of looks like the Bitcoin chart on the daily. That's kind of funny. Kind of, man. I'm seeing those more often. Maybe it's just because like we sort of you know, we sort of are looking for them now, but could be. ADA, holy moly, 271 on ADA. Let's do good. Dead cat bounce, boys. Dead cat bounce. Look at my dead cat bounce ears. Beautiful. 271. I'm gonna keep the dead cat bounce ears on. Let's friggin' go, boys. 271. Who is buying ADA right now? I mean, you're gonna be FOMOing in. Just if you're buying ADA, just know that you're sort of FOMOing into ADA right now. Okay, just know. Meow. Just know that if you're buying ADA right now, you are FOMOing. You know, but at the end of the day, you guys do what you want to do with your friggin' money, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. We got 2 minutes until the close, guys. 2 minutes until the close. Get your eyeliner on with the sell now. Bitboy ate a pump. Tell me in a convincing manner Doge will pump. Okay. Actually, we might need Bob to come out and tell you about Doge. Let me look at the chart and maybe Dot. You know, we know Bob is the sort of the Doge master. So why don't we have Bob come out and he can explain to you the Doge chart, because right now I'm not really seeing anything, but he has a really, really good eye when it comes to the Doge chart. So I'm gonna have Bob come out and he can show you the Doge chart, right? Actually, let's go down and just see Bob, all right? So you want a Dogecoin TA, huh? Well, I got the recipe for you. I watched Final Stand's video earlier. I'm telling you, I'm about to copy and paste his chart right now, just like Jordan copy and paste Carl the Moon's charts before his stream every day. Oops, I wasn't supposed to tell you that. Oh, crap, he's gonna kill me. Jordan's gonna kill me. I wasn't supposed to tell you guys that. Don't tell him that I told you that he copies Carl the Moon's charts. Don't tell him that. But I copy Final Stand charts. So Doge has this support coming up right here, okay? This is what Final Stand told me. And then it sort of has its resistance coming down like this, okay? So he has his resistance coming down like this on Doge. So we're gonna see a breakout here in Doge, probably in 2 days, right? Within 2 days. We're gonna say Tuesday at around 8 o'clock. That's when we should be getting that move for Dogecoin, okay? That's when we should be getting that move for Dogecoin. So make sure we're looking out for that. And
Bobby, clean your room.
no, I'm doing TA on Doge. I'm practicing my TA so we can get out of this crap hole, Ma. So I can get out of this damn crap hole. You want me to live in the basement forever?
Bobby, clean your room.
If I clean my room, I can never move out. That's what we had an argument about yesterday, Ma. Ma! Bring me some Mountain Dew, though. I'm sorry. All right, but yeah, that's the TI on Doge. With the trend is your friend. You should pump up from this symmetrical triangle right now. And then your next target is up here at approximately, if you can break out at your previous highs, right? 35 cents on Doge. All right, I'm going to give it back to Jordan, guys. And it was good to see you. All right. Peace. All right. That's Bob's TA on Doge. Bob's TA on Doge. All right. All right, so Bitcoin, look at what Bitcoin did, right? We confirmed that as a red candle. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to confirm a red candle as the back test of the previous resistance, flip into support, and now I want to get that confirmation of a round out and get that buy pressure coming in, which I think Bitcoin is about to do as we speak. Let's go check out the daily close. Really, really nice daily close, in my opinion, right? Just a confirmed bounce. Now, you didn't quite close above your previous red candle. Don't think that's a big deal, though. A big deal, though. Shout out to you in the chat, man. Deal, though. The big green deal, though. But yeah, we get confirmation up. Should be pretty good. Should be pretty good. I like that in the daily. And look where we're at on the daily RSI, guys. We get a little bit more of a pump. We're talking small amount, a little bit more of a pump. We should be able to break this trend line, man. Because now it's a day, now it's even a day lower. So now it's going to take us very, very little amount of a pump to get us up. Here comes Bitcoin, though. 39,450 as we speak right now. ADA is going nuts, too. 270, pushing 273 on ADA. Here we go, guys. 273 on ADA right now. Got a slight little pullback there as we were dancing. Probably because my dance moves were so bad. It is like, I'm not pumping for those dance moves. What the heck is that, dude? Didn't mean to see you get blown away by the hurricane. What a overrated hurricane, man. Let me knock on some wood there so I don't get blown away right now. What an overrated hurricane. It rained for damn 2 hours here. There was no even any wind. There was no wind here. Now maybe it's tomorrow, who knows? But there was no wind here all day. You couldn't fit 2 pickles in there? I could not fit 2 pickles in there. 273 on Cardano, guys. Bitcoin chilling at 49,380. ETH. If ETH can get back up here and test this sort of neckline here, if you can sort of come back down and bounce and break this sort of downward sloping neckline. Let me turn this to green. Could have a nice little inverse head and shoulders that could push you back up. Looking pretty sexy, if I do have to say so myself, ETH. After the stream today, I might have to... All the moms are getting pissed at me. I'll keep it PG. I might have to do this to you.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Oh, no.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
There we go. All right. Little Doge NFTs. We're gonna say nope on that one.
Nope.
Little Doge NFTs. Sky said, good evening, Jordan. How do you feel about Kava? When you have a chance to go over this one. Yeah, we'll do Kava real quick for you, man. I got you. We'll wait for Bitcoin to get that move. Guys, don't worry. I'm watching Bitcoin. I think also, I think Jabba put in a short right here. Let me actually put a... Jabba put in a short, I think, right at this wick at 49,540. I think Jabba put a short in. So if we break that, I think Jabba is going to get... Oh, Java's liquidation price is 49,600. Java, your liquidation price is 49,600. All right, I just want to make sure everyone knows, so everyone can know when you get liquidated. All right. Java liquidated. Java liquidated 49,600. Java liquidated. Perfect. All right, so if we hit 49,600, we'll get a notification that Java got liquidated again. So Kava, let's see. Or Kava's already smashed its highs. Yeah, Kava already smashed its highs. So what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? So your previous all-time high was right there, April 6th at 814. You're sitting all the way up there at 840. And you just broke your highs. So do you come back down and test this before you start moving back up? Certainly could be a possibility. Bob and the Fat Bob and the Fat Man. But yeah, do you come back down and test first? Could be a possibility, right? Usually these coins like to come back down and test before you move up. But if you just take your swing high to swing low, it's really all we got now. It's really all we got now. So your 1.618 fib is at about 1185. Next target there for Mr. Kava, right? So nice, man. Another altcoin breaking its all-time highs once again. It's a definitely a good dead cat bounce if it is one, you know. Definitely a good dead cat bounce. I'm not gonna lie. Where's my Moonboy helmet? There it is. You guys are new to the stream. Make sure you guys subscribe for the nice little pumpage we're getting today. Okay, make sure you guys hit that likes. We should be over 1,000 likes already, right? It's 8 o'clock. If we can get over 1,000 likes by 8:15, okay, I don't know what I'll do, but you know, I will think of something that I can do for you guys if we can get over 1,000 likes by 8:15. I think that's very, very easy to do. That should well, so we did a poll, guys, real quick. Will Bitcoin hit 50K tonight? We had 71% of people say yes, 29% of people say no. So most people think that we are going to hit 71K by tonight. Seems possible, right? It seems like probably a better bet to vote no right now, right? Just because we're still about $500 away. But I think it's still not, maybe not completely likely, but I think it's definitely possible here. Then we go up and test 50K. What's up, Antone? Antone became a Jordan Knight member. What's going on, dude? Good to have you. Good to have you. Dead cat. Go bald. You guys in the chat, kill me, man. I just see random people in here. Say, Jordan, go bald. What was another random thing I just saw? Go bald. Go bald. Still no BTC volume. NFTs affecting Bitcoin? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. We look so... The volume thing is sort of interesting, right? So we looked at the Google Trends yesterday. The general public I don't think they're getting into Bitcoin yet. I don't think they're getting into Bitcoin yet, which is bullish, right? We're pushing 50K, and we look at the Google Trends. So the Google Trends, people searching Bitcoin, Bitcoin price, how to buy Bitcoin, crypto, right? Whether on Google or YouTube, is going down while the price of crypto is going up, right? I think we got some divergence there, which is bullish, which means all the people that are losing interest now, when Bitcoin gets to the prices that we want it to get to, that's when they're going to start getting interested, which I think will push up the volume. Who knows, man? Who knows at this point? I mean, this whole... Who knows, man? Like, at the end of the day, Bitcoin does what it wants to do. If it can just keep going up with no volume, sure. It would be at some point we got to see some volume coming in though. Don't play with the wedges. What's up, Rob? Rob, $5 super chat. What's going on, Rob? Kane said ETH needs a good Mafiasco slapdown. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. After the stream, I will break her out of this inverse head and shoulders. So after the stream, expect us in the stream to be up here, right at our sort of trend line. Then after the stream, I'm going to set her up. And she's going to just destroy this inverse head and shoulders to the upside. Craig said, see, homie, I told you that was a bull flag. We can just call everything a bull flag now. This is a bull flag. This is a bull flag. 8x, please, Chris, said Ryan. You got it, 8x. Did you mean AVAX? Did you mean AVAX? Or do you mean 8x? Like literally 8x? Like Bitcoin? Is this what you meant? The Cardano Bitcoin pair? Cardano Bitcoin pair. Yeah, so we're all-time highs for the Cardano Bitcoin pairs up here. This just looks like it wants to continue up, man. This looks like it wants to continue up. And it's going nuts, right? So I think, logically speaking, on the Cardano Bitcoin pair, it makes sense, right? You want your altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. You know, your candle body highs on the weekly are right there. So I think you could see easily. I think you could easily see another 10% gain on ADA against Bitcoin, pretty easily within the next week or so. And then after that, you got these wicks and not much else, man. I mean, you got wick here, wick up here. You could be seeing a pretty significant gains to that, you know. 8x coin. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Not on here, guys. There's no 8x. Unless it's over here, Ryan. Let's see. 8x coin. 8x. Something happened there. Yeah, this thing's going nuts, huh? Automated liquidity pool within the Cardano ecosystem. So it's a liquidity protocol for Cardano. Yeah, you're going to see a lot of Cardano coins pump. You've probably already seen a lot of the Cardano coins pump in the Cardano ecosystem, just with them getting the hype that they're getting right now. Anything in the Cardano ecosystem is going to move pretty well, or already has moved pretty well. So obviously I can't look at a chart because it's not on TradingView, but still. Wes, thank you again, my man. Johnny said, can your ma talked about my ma so I can stay up till 8? Yeah, just give me a call, man. Give me a call, and Karen can talk to your mom. Sure. I'm not reading that name, but dude, chill with the hate, man. Chill with the hate. What's up, my man? Good to see you. Didn't get blown away from the hurricane. No blown away. Gaia said, can you take a look at XRP? Let's take a look at XRP real quick, guys. I think it wasn't really doing much yet. Yeah, still just in this little symmetrical triangle. You can see we bounced off of it perfectly on the bottom side today. So we're just going, you know, down, up, down, and now we're going back up. All right, so this is most likely going to go whichever way Bitcoin decides to go in the next day or two. Right, so Bitcoin looks good right now, you know. So if Bitcoin continues up, we should see XRP continue up. If it rolls back over, well, you probably see this break down for XRP. Right? But overall, I like the structure, right? I like the back test of the previous downward sloping resistance, back testing as support and bouncing back up. It's beautiful. It's friggin' beautiful. Now you just need that next impulse to get you back up, which I think you're waiting on confirmation on which way Bitcoin's going to go here. There goes ETH. Come on, ETH. Come on, baby. Get up to that resistance. I believe in you. That's why I married you. But yeah, that's XRP, man. You break that, next resistance is the golden pocket up at 140, 145 up here. Link, the new stablecoin. Regretting rebalancing between Link and ADA right now last week. Link is yeah, Link's not really moving too well right now. I mean, it's not doing terrible. It's just not really performing the same as ADA, obviously. It's still performed pretty well. I mean, it's went from $13 to $30. So it did it like a 2.5x at the top. So I mean, it might sound like it's not doing as good, but it's actually outperforming ADA on this slightly. It's slightly actually performing almost the same. ADA's done about, you know, a 2.7x. Link has done, you know, up here did about a 2.5x. So they're actually, it seems like ADA's way outperforming, but it's not as cut and dry as that. But we'll look at watch for Link. It's just not really moving right now, right? So it's probably doing the same as like XRP we just saw, just consolidating for that next move. Let's see. Yeah, you got downwards resistance, and you got sort of upward support. Yeah, I think you're just waiting for that next move, man. I mean, this consolidation, kind of like how XRP was. And then if Bitcoin continues up, I think this goes up. I mean, that's just kind of how the market works. When you're in a bullish trend, the altcoins are going to follow BTC. Now, if we take our fibs, which I got rid of for a second, just to see a little better. Get a little bit stuck on that the 0.382 fib. We break that, we got our 0.5 fib with a couple previous highs up there at about $33. So Link should perform pretty well. ADA sitting at 273. Marco said, can you check out Boson Protocol? Sure. Look at this wedge. You guys know I love my wedges, dude. Look at this wedge. Back test up. Beautiful. You didn't have another one here. No, not really. But Boson, I think, you know, if you look at just on the 4-hour previous high, it looks like a back test. And if you zoom in a little bit more, not really forming anything here on the small time frames actually, but overall, I mean, just looks like good structure. Looks like you broke your previous high, come back down to confirm it as support. Now you might have a little bit of bearish div here, where you got some higher highs and you got some lower highs on the RSI, which could inherently push you back down, right? Looks like you're losing a little bit of momentum. But like I said, that's not confirmed unless you confirm sort of a round out, right? If you just continue up here, that could easily nullify that. If you break down 112, if you break up, next resistance we have is 227 for Boson. 227. LRC. Let's do LRC real quick. And then Java's still good, guys. Java has not got liquidated. Java's liquidation price is right here. Okay, 49.6. That's when Java gets liquidated. He's still doing pretty good on his short. Now he's not very good at taking profits. So he's probably gonna get liquidated at some point here. LRC. Let's see what LRC's doing here. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, man. All right. Let me take a high to the low. Looks like you're right at your golden pocket right now. Are you wicked up to your golden pocket? got our initial rejection. So that's what you're waiting for now. Like, are you gonna pull back maybe to this 382 fib down at 44 cents and continue up? I mean, you're at a 85 on your RSI, and the daily could need a little bit of a retracement, but you know, if this stays bullish, you know, maybe something like this back test and a continuation to the 786 at 74, or this could just stay bullish and continue up, man. I mean, like I said, a lot of these are in what I call bounce price discoveries, right? Where they're just kind of gonna go in between these fib levels all the way up. You can see right here, it really hasn't respected any of them. Didn't respect respected the 236, didn't respect the 382, didn't respect the 0.5, and finally got rejection on the golden pocket. So that's what we're waiting for, man. And then we'll do Harmony 1. Harmony 1. Whoops. Harmony 1. So we tried breaking that high. 1, 2, 3. We tried breaking that high. Looks like we got an initial rejection on it on the new day. Looks like we could be getting a nice little move up there. If we break that at Harmony 1, you could be, I think you're coming up to 15 cents, which is a pretty good move there on the daily. Really good move. So let's see. Break that, go up to 15 cents. That's your next resistance. The daily has a little bit of divergence as well, right? You need to see these from some altcoins. So if you can't continue up higher, might get an initial sort of pullback. But nevertheless, we're in a bullish trend. I don't pay too much attention to bearish divergences when we're in a super bullish trend. Bitcoin's chilling right now, dude. All right. Do a few more altcoins here, guys. I don't want to spend forever on altcoins. People aren't, because I only have a handful of people are sort of interested in you know, like each altcoin. You know what I mean? Let's see. Do a few more altcoins now. Take a little break on altcoins. Go back over to Bitcoin, and then we'll do some more altcoins in a little bit. So EOS just has a very structured move up here. It's kind of behind the 8 ball on the market, but it looks fine. It looks fine. I think, you know, from top to bottom here, you got your 0.236 Fibonacci. You break that, you got simply your, right up here, you got your 382 fib, which is really your peak from right there. It's beautiful. Beautiful how the Fibonacci levels play out freaking perfectly. The Fibonacci levels look out freaking perfectly. All right, so 762 is the next resistance at the time, right? So 762 is coming up next. No bearish divergence on this one, so you're looking good there. I think this one continues up. As long as Bitcoin continues up, altcoins continue up. Perfect bounce off the daily EMA ribbon. Look at that. Boom, boom, continuation. Come on, BTC. All right, we need a whale for BTC. Come on, whales, buy the dip. I mean, that's not really a dip, but buy the pump. FOMO. Here we go. If we need one more. FOMO. Boom. There we go. Is that tasty? I think that was tasty. Ada's so sexy. Waterfly married Ada apparently. Waterfly, did you marry Ada? Holy moly. Alright. Poke BTC with a stick. Poke it. So we saw Bob, we saw Jabba today. We saw Karen. We saw the whole fam. We didn't see Chris. Chris hasn't been here in a while. Chris is never home. He's always out with the ladies. Chris is never home. Maybe he'll come home in a little bit. I don't think you guys like Chris, though. I think you guys only like Karen, Jabba, and Bob. And sometimes Ken. But, it's okay. He busted out the shake weight. Busted out the damn shake weight. I did bust out the shake weight, huh? Alright, guys, we got 11 more likes for 1,000 likes. Let's hit those like buttons up, my friends. For Bitcoin. If we hit 1,000 likes, Bitcoin's gonna pump to 50K tonight. Only if we do it. Let's do another poll real quick. Let's do a poll. Let's do a quick poll. Will no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do, let's see. Will ETH break let's see, actually. You know what's a good one? Will ETH or BTC break all-time high first? ETH, BTC. It's a pretty easy question. That's a pretty easy question. I'll give you guys a layup. Let's see. Oh no, hold on. I'm ending the poll. I'm ending the poll. I gotta give you guys a different. I gotta give you guys more options than that. Anyways, that was a terrible poll. That was literally a terrible poll. Let's do another one. We'll either BTC break all-time high first. Wow, we had 6 votes on that one. Holy crap. We need a better poll than that. Let's do. Will Bitcoin go up or down while I'm on vacation? Up, down. There we go. Will Bitcoin go up or down while I'm on vacation? Let's just say that Bitcoin is at this current price level right now. Will Bitcoin go up or down while I'm gone? Now, remember last time I was gone for a couple of days, right? That's when we had the huge dip. Last time I went on vacation for a couple of days was right here. Right here. Ever since then, it's been pretty good, though. Been pretty good. Right there is when on vacation last time, guys. ATH, all-time high on vacation. I'd be pumped if it went all-time high on vacation. When am I gone? I'll be gone Tuesday to Tuesday. So this upcoming Tuesday to the following Tuesday. I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna be really sad, honestly. We're going to zero again while you're on vacation. All right, let's see. Coins aren't really moving right now, guys, at all. Not really moving right now. Tello's breaking out, said OSU. Check out Telcoin. OSU said Telco. Holy trolley. Telcoin making some moves right now. Look at that nice couple last little daily candles on Tel. What did we talk about on Tel, guys? I think we talked about this last time. We talked about if you break this resistance at 2.1 cents, it was likely that you were going to go straight up to 3.1 cents. And look exactly what you're doing. You didn't have anything in the middle of there, right? You went straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. You had no resistance in between there. So 3.1 cents is coming here. That's what's coming. Might not do it today. Might not do it tomorrow. That's coming next. Beautiful on Telcoin. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-tiful. I like it. Bitcoin's pulling back right now. Bitcoin's dumping. Bitcoin's dumping. Java's making some gains right now on the short. Let's see if this is another back test, guys. Let's see if this is a back test before a continuation up. But right now, Java is making some gains in his short. I hear him. He's going off right now. I hear him in his room. Java's getting... Holy moly. Java's going off right now. Woo! You suckers. You suckers. You longed this? You long the wedge? Guys, these wedges never play out. These wedges never play. Don't listen to Jordan. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's friggin' go. Got a new shirt. I got a new shirt. I got a new shirt. I got a new shirt. All right, just want to tell you guys about my gains. I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right. Java got a new shirt. Someone said, "Don't pull the." Ted said, "Don't pull the tags from that shirt, bro." He's doing nice. Keep this one. We'll see. We'll see. He gets a little overexcited. He doesn't take profits though. He thinks like Bitcoin's literally going to go to zero one of these times. So he's going to be a millionaire. So he doesn't like to take profits. But he still has his liquidation price up here. So we'll see what happens. Bitcoin coming back into the wedge though. I don't love Bitcoin coming back into the wedge. Now, could this be just a little, maybe a fake out of the fake out? Can we close right back above here? Could be. Could be. We'll see what old Bitcoin wants to do here. Like ETH is getting a little bit of dippage too. Cardano dippage. And now TEL is dipping back down. You know? Tank King said, "Stay with us." Thank you. I can't, man. I can't. I must go on my journey. But I will be here in spirit, right? I will be here in spirit. While I'm gone, though. Check that pattern you showed us from the top earlier at 65K to where we are now on the 1 hour. The pattern you showed us from the top earlier at 65K to where we are now on the 1 hour. Oh. This one? So... obviously, this is the bearish scenario. Like I said, it's not perfect fit, but you guys get the general sentiment on this. Basically, 1 top, 2 tops, 3 tops, 4 tops. We come back down. If we come back down here, you know, if we roll back over here, I think that's obviously we still have to do this, right? So there's still a lot of the pattern left, but I would prefer not to come back down here and sort of just continue up and kind of nullify this so that these freaking you know, these whale manipulators don't do the same thing that they did to us right here. Yeah, because all this is just literally a fractal of up here. Hopefully they don't do the same games with us as they did back there, right here, right? But I'm looking out for that, right? I'm looking out for that. If we do something like that, you know, a move back down. You can see last time we came back down to the areas where we consolidated last. So that would probably mean we move back down to like, if this did play out, right? I'm not gonna say it is. Maybe like 37,500, right? Something like that. Who knows? Who knows, right? Obviously, it's just a fractal. It's not something we're totally worried about. It's just more so for fun there. More so for fun. Not so much fun as the bullish fractals. I tried to find some fun bullish fractals. I couldn't find any today. You guys know I love my fractals. But I did see that little bearish one. Right? So I was like, hey, let's throw it on there. What's up, Carlos? Hope you're doing good, man. Hey, you. What's going on, man? I like that little pair guy. From day one, I've always liked that pair guy. You know what I mean? What price level will get us above the yellow line on the bottom? That would confirm of the bull run. The yellow line on the bottom. This one right here. I think. Oh, you're saying. I don't really know which one you're talking about, man. To be honest, it's the golden pocket between 51 and 52,000. That's the levels I'd be looking for. You know, obviously everyone's looking at that golden pocket range between 51 and 52 as sort of the confirmation up. Everyone's looking at that damn level. So if everyone's looking, like we said yesterday, guys, if everyone's looking at this damn level between 51 and 52,000, either it's going to get front run for a dip, right? Or the whales are going to fake us all out and just pump us straight above this. I don't see it playing out exactly like we expect. Everyone's kind of expecting a pump up here, and then a pullback, and then a continuation up. That's too obvious, right? That's way too obvious. I'm not going to say that it can't play out like that. I just think it's going to be something a little bit different than what we're expecting, right? Bitcoin likes to do things that we don't expect. All right, Bitcoin trying to get back over that wedge again. If it does, I think Job is going to be a pretty sad man here. Job is going to be crying in his little room. Again, he's way too cocky right now. Oh, the yellow RSI line? The red RSI line is 60. What do you know? 69. I think we got to get back above 69 on the RSI today. We can get back above 69. We just got to break this this previous high, which was 69. You can go down. ETH looks dead. ETH looks dead. Let's look at ETH. This looks dead. When in doubt, zoom out. This looks dead. We got one red weekly candle on ETH, and we're dead. Bitcoin, 5 green weeks in a row, man. It's exciting. It's exciting. Look at our stock RSI. We have finally topped out on the stock RSI, gotten both lines above the oversold line. That's what we want. And also, the weekly RSI level, a little bit higher. We break that level, I think we're good. I think we're good. Stop yawning, dude. You're making me tired. Hey, we're all humans here. We're all humans. I yawn. I do a lot of things that you guys don't want to know on stream. Whale playing 4D chess. Yep. That's it. The guy said it's dead. I'm selling everything. Nano? A lot of people love Nano. Had some crazy action today. Looks like it got a nice little pump today. $6 up to about $8 at one point. Let's take a look at Nano, guys. So your previous high 236, you smacked at 236. I think you're coming up. You don't really have much. You got a high back here. So if you can break this previous high back there at like 769, once again, you should be coming back up here to your next fib level, which is 382 at 866. Okay. That looks really good. I mean, you want to continue momentum here. You don't want to create some bearish divergence on the daily, right? So, but if you can get, you know, a little bit more daily momentum up here, make another higher high on the RSI, avoid that daily bearish divergence, I think you'll be looking quite well. But you just got to obviously continue that confirmation up. Simple as that. Every coin bounced off this EMA ribbon on the daily perfectly too. It's actually beautiful. All right, Bitcoin's flirting with the support line, like legit flirting. Like it's kind of creepy at this point. Like I feel like I'm a third wheel between Bitcoin, this trend line, and then me. I'm the third wheel right now. It's actually kind of creepy. ADA 273 and ETH just chilling. When we eat ice cream on stream, we're gonna eat ice cream on stream. Once Bitcoin hits 50K, man. Someone tells me we're gonna hit 50K. Obviously, I think we'll hit 50K obviously before I come back on vacation, assuming we don't get a big dump. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do that 12-hour stream, guys. Think I'm gonna be able to last a 12-hour stream? I'm gonna have to drink like 8 coffees to do that. 8 damn coffees. Now I have to do, when Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, I have to do a 24-hour stream. Holy moly, I'm gonna be dead. Literally legit dead. Buy a Cord, never regret. I actually like Hondas. You guys know I used to make fun of the Honda Civics. I actually like Hondas, right? So I actually like Civics. I actually like Accords. Hondas make good cars, or Honda makes good cars. To me, it's just the loud Civics that just come on. It's like, come on, man. I actually like Hondas, man. What's up, Algo? Smash a like, enjoy the Discord if you know what's good for you. I don't know if they know what's good for their from Algo. Hope you didn't. Hope you survived the storm today, man. It wasn't much of a storm, dude. 12 hours should be easy. Facts. Do the 12-hour stream the first day I'm back. Maybe not. We'll see. Just get a box of Joe and you'll be fine. Can you check out CKB with Bob? Sure. I don't know if Bob's gonna be interested in CKB, but sure, I guess Bob can do CKB. Why not? Sure, Isaac. All right, guys. Bob's gonna do CKB for Isaac because he requested Bob. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bob's gonna do CKB. He's not gonna be very happy about it. Bob, you gotta do a coin. You gotta do a coin. No, someone on stream requested you to do a coin, so you gotta do a coin, man. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Do you want me to go to the store and get you Mountain Dew? Yes? Okay, then you gotta do CKB. All right, that's what I thought. All right, guys, I'm gonna send you back over to Bob, and he will do CKB. All right, see you guys in a bit. I want to do CK. Jordan, I don't want to do CKB. This coin sucks. This coin sucks. No one likes this coin. Everyone on stream is going to leave because they don't like CKB. All right, I'll do it anyways. I'm telling you right now, everyone's going to leave. No one likes CKB. It's freaking ridiculous. All right, so let me get this over with. Let me get this friggin' over with. CKB, it looks like you have a downtrend of resistance. One, candle body highs, and then your wick high here. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. It's friggin' ridiculous. I'm trying to watch around the blockchain. I'm just trying to watch around the blockchain. You see my damn poster? That's what I like to do in my spare time. I don't like to do technical analysis on CKB. Friggin' ridiculous. I want to do this right now. I'm only doing it for my Mountain Dew. All right, so you got this downtrend of resistance, yeah, and you got this uptrend of support. So you're in an uptrend, obviously. You're in an uptrend. Let's take our Fibonacci. So let's take our swing high to our swing low. We're not really even close to a freaking Fibonacci level right now. So if we break out of this right here, that's going to be really, really good for CKB. And I see a move at least up to our 382 Fibonacci, up at a 2.1 cents. 2.1 cents. What? That would be more of a pump than Doge. Final stand. Guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. Like I said, 2.1 cents. If we break this to the upside, I gotta go. I just did this for the Mountain Dew. Okay, I didn't have enough Mountain Dew today. All right, seriously.
Bobby, clean your room. Bobby, clean your room.
No. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go. My mom's making me clean my room. All right. CK, he doesn't want to talk about it anymore, guys. He's over. He's over. Heading back out of the wedge. All right, here goes Bitcoin. Jabba's not gonna be a very happy camper right now. All his gains are going away.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
49,405 right now. That would do a meatloaf. All right, let's do IOTX real quick while we wait for Bitcoin to continue. Continuing up. Let's see, IOTX, USDT. Come on, man, give me a good chart. These charts suck. I sound like Bob right now. These charts suck. All right, let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. We do anything on this guy? Not really, dude. We're not really doing jack squat on this chart. See, like you're trying to hold. We'll have some lake days, mostly just chilling. We'll maybe go to the park like once or twice. I don't know if we'll go. Obviously, what's going on down there? And some of my family's, a little bit more, little bit safer than I am. But yeah, there's a lot going on in there. So we'll see. But we got like a little Airbnb type thing. So we'll be hanging out. It'll be a fun time. It'll be a fun time. But thank you on the grind. That's awesome, dude. That is freaking awesome. I'll make sure I can rent Jabba his scooter, and I can get Bob his Mountain Dew cotton candy down there with that. But thank you on the grind. Appreciate it, dude. But yeah, so IOTX, previous resistance, flipped into new support, right? So nice little back test on that, and we'll see what we can do from there, right? We'll see what we can do from there. But you gotta round out now. You got to round out. Let me actually get rid of some of these resistance levels there. But yeah, if you round out, I mean, you looked at your next resistance, you didn't really have anything until up here at 20 cents, which sounds insane. But you gotta remember, you were up here at 15 cents before, right? So obviously you got your highs right there, 15 cents. You break 15 cents, you're going up to 20 cents. That's where you're going to. The daily RSI was at a 96. A 96. So now you cooled it off. Now you got more room to run up. Beautiful. Awesome. Job is so sad now. He lost some of his profits. He's still in there partying. He's like, oh, He's like, oh, we're fine, we're fine. I don't think Java's fine. I think he's going to get liquidated on stream. So 49.6, Java gets liquidated. I think he gets liquidated on stream. Let's see. Will Bitcoin go up or down while I'm on vacation? 69%. Why is it always 69? Why is there so many 69% today? 69% said yes. 31% said no. So most people think that it's going to go up while I'm on my vacation. I like it. I like it. Now, will Java get liquidated here? That's what I want to know. Buy high, sell low. Have a good night, my man. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday nights. And yeah, man, take it easy, dude. I'll see you tomorrow, man. I'll be here tomorrow. Hey, Jordan, can you do Anchor? It seems like it's not doing anything. Yeah, there's a lot of coins just chilling. You know, Anchor it was a quick mover in the beginning. It went from 5 cents to almost 11 cents in, like 10 days. So it was the first quick mover. So it's not that it's doing anything. It's just the coins are kind of taking turns. So you kind of see how ETH's not doing anything right now. XRP, right? Chainlink. Some of those were like the first movers. And ever since then, they kind of just been going sideways. You can see you're just range locked here between like 11 cents and 9 cents. Just going up and down, up and down, up and down. So whichever one of these you break first, that's the general direction you're going to go. And most likely here, you're going to sort of go up, right? Your trend is your friend till you go up. Bitcoin is in an uptrend right now, so you're highly likely of breaking up. So you break 11 cents, I think that your next fib level up here at 13 cents. That's where I think you're going. All right. But yeah, man. I mean, it's just consolidating right now. You're going to see this from a lot of coins. Just break out the EMA ribbon real quick. Yeah, so you're bouncing off your daily EMA ribbon right now, which is perfect. Perfect for another bounce up. Nice. Bitcoin 4943. Look at that perfect back test. Look at that little fake out back test. We went back into the wedge. Everyone thought this was a fake out. That ended up being a fake out of the fake out and a bounce back out of the wedge. That was nice. That was beautiful, as I would say it. And now Java's going to fall for it, and Java's going to get liquidated at 49.6. Java's going to get liquidated. But I don't short Bitcoin in an uptrend. Who here shorted Bitcoin in an uptrend? Raise your hand. I didn't see any hands. What's up, Blackworm? Jordan said started at February with 600 Doge. Now I got 27.4. Wow. Nice, Jordan. That's good, dude. That's really good. Luna or Quant? Let me do Luna for Chavai in the chat. Luna hit the 1.618 perfectly. I think we talked about that the other day. It was such beautiful. It was beautiful. Now, do we pull back a little bit more here? Interesting. Could we come back down and test our previous highs back here around 22 bucks? That's certainly a scenario that would make some sense. Let me actually just clear this out. If we come back down and test our highs right there, that's probably would make some sense here for Luna. Come back down at 22 bucks, retest, and continue up. If you don't do that, if Luna just wants to just go berserk and not retest its highs, take our next fib level, which was up here at the 2.618 Fibonacci. Let's see if we hit this one at 51.93. Seems far-fetched. You'd be surprised how fast these coins can move up when they're in price discovery, though. So 51.93 is the next target there for Luna, if in fact you do continue up. Big if, big if. Come on, BTC. Why are you being weird, man? Kevin, he works at McDonald's. Yeah, I work at McDonald's, Kevin. I work at McDonald's a few days a week. I work at McDonald's a few days a week. Yeah, I was able to cut down some of my hours because crypto's doing well again, right? So I cut down some of my hours. I'm only working there maybe once or twice a week when I want to, which is kind of nice that they're really flexible. I know the manager there. He's my good friend. If you want to see me in the hat, here you go. I really like the job. You know, people hate on McDonald's, but they pay pretty good, right? They pay pretty good. I've already became an assistant manager. You know, I went from $13 an hour. Now I'm making $15 an hour as assistant manager. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's a good little gig. Good little gig. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, man. So you sell your crypto. 49K is the new 36K. We were at for about 2 months, it seems like. Seriously. The new 36K. We've only been here for like 2 days. It seems like forever, doesn't it? Right now? Like we've moved up so fast here. When we stay somewhere for 2 days, it seems like we're there forever. That really is true. Yeah, the ice cream machine never works. No one knew. 15 per hour, pretty good though. It is. It is pretty good. It is pretty good. Soon you'll be general management. Yep. Pretty soon. That's my goal in life. General manager. I got 18 an hour at Costco in high school. Hey Andrew, we all gotta do something, man. We all gotta do something, all right? Seriously. ADA set 273 right now. As we continue to push up here for Mr. Cardano. Let's see if we hit 274, guys. We hit 274. We're playing the pump music. We're doing it. Let's go. All you guys that like to hit Cardano, you better do it right now. You better do it right now, and you better do it well. All right? Don't leave anything on the mattress. Get her done. I got 525 in high school. Tony said I have EOS is a good coin. I don't love EOS. Hasn't really been a mover yet. All right, Cardano just break 274. All right, 274 on Cardano. I'm not a big fan of EOS, man. Not a big fan of EOS, personally, man. But you know what I will say is, you know, it's definitely a coin that hasn't moved yet, so it definitely could mean it has more potential to move, honestly. And Aave next resistance. Aave next resistance on Aave is Money for a tattoo on vacation. We'll look it up. We'll look it up. But yeah, if you look at this, man, Ave next resistance on vacation is up here at the golden pocket. So you're looking at 477. You got to break your previous highs, right? You break 427. Next resistance is 477. Next resistance there. What is the name of this song? And then OGN, we'll look at OGN real quick. For Elias. What's going on, Elias? What are we doing? Good, man. Elias has been here watching the stream for a while too. Let's take our swing. See if I can get a better chart here on Origin. Let's take our swing high, our swing low. Take it from that initial one. I'm not going to count that scam wick there. So you see you're right at your 236 fib right now, which matches up perfectly with this local high here. You got your next one at 162. Check the EMA ribbon. Perfect bounce off the EMA ribbon. So I like this to continue up. Your daily RSI is only at a 70, so you got plenty of room to run up. So weird saying your daily RSI is only at a 70, but yeah, it's only at a 70, which in crypto is nothing. So I could see you moving up to 161 pretty quickly here, as long as you break this previous high from back here at 119, right? But I like your chances of doing it, man. I like your damn chances. Money's for a tattoo on your vacation. Get a frog. Maybe I'll get a Ethereum tattoo right here. Boom. It looks so good right here. Or right here. I don't know. Maybe not yet. In the future, though, I definitely want an Ethereum tattoo. Holy moly. Here goes ADA. ADA, pushing 276 as we speak right now. We're making that money on ADA. We're making that money. Money. 276, there it is. 276. Cardano to 150. I don't think Cardano, dude. You know how much money would have to go into Cardano for it to hit 150? That's ridiculous, dude. Trust me, I would. If Cardano went to 150, your boy would be shilling. Your boy, I don't even know if Cardano went to 150. I don't even know what I would do. Trust me, I want to go to 150. Cardano's not going to 150, guys. That's ridiculous, dude. That's ridiculous. You're talking, what, a 50x from here? You know how much money would have to go into it? You know how much money would have to go into Cardano to a 50x from here? Like, that is insane. You're talking Cardano having a market cap that's 5 times as big as Bitcoin's current market cap. It's not happening. It's not happening, guys. As much as I want it to happen, that's not happening, dude. Yeah. If Cardano hits $10, I'm taking the fam to Hawaii. Thanks. What would market cap be on a 150 ADA? Market cap of a 150 ADA would be a 50x from here, around a 50x, just to keep it easy, right? Just to say it's, you know, $3. We're talking, let's just round up $100 billion market cap. We'd be looking at a market cap of upwards of what, $5 trillion? You know, it'd be like 4 point something trillion dollars. I think that's not happening. It's not happening. Moonwalk time. Can we hit 277 though? 277. We run out of Lambos when ADA hits 150. If ADA went to 150, dude, I don't even know what I would do. I'd be passed out on the floor. I'd literally be passed out on the floor. Lewis said, can you look at ACH? ACH. This is the one that doesn't have that much info to look at, man. So I can't do much on this. You know? It's sort of... you can't really do much on this other than you broke your previous perfect resistance, confirm it as support, and continued up, you know? Other than that, I mean, you can take your fib levels and you broke your 236. In this one though, you got some resistance up here, which you're currently at right now. You break 11.7. You got your next fib level at 13, about 13.2, which is your 382 Fibonacci, which I think you would go up to, but not much really else to look at besides that, dude. I mean, you're just sort of waiting for that next move. It looks a lot like other coins. Pretty overextended. Would be surprised if you got a pullback here. You're pretty overextended from your daily EMA ribbon. You're also decently high on your daily RSI. So always be watchful of a pullback for some of these coins. Just trying to predict when you're going to get a pullback is sort of, in an uptrend like this, is sort of trying to pick straws. Yeah. And then super for Steven. Super for Steven. We haven't looked at this in a while, I can tell. What's going on with this one? Still haven't even gotten up to your fib levels yet, so you got a lot of work to do on this guy. Right, 236. I don't even think it would be right there. I think it would be this low, this previous support level. You don't really have much. If you can break this previous high right here, right, on a close, I think you're going straight up to 150, right? Because you went straight down here. You don't really have much in between, right? Holy moly! $278 on Cardano right now as it continues to just move up here. Continues, cent after cent after cent, continues to rise out of the depths. Not really out of the depths, but you get what I'm going with there. 278 as we speak right now. Ate it in blue sky mode. Yep, this is what we like to call black screen territory, man. Black screen territory. No resistance left. No resistance. The only resistance you got left are the Fibonacci extensions. And even those can be sliced through like butter. So you're in black screen territory. This is the most fun part of crypto. When these coins start getting into, you know, clear skies where there's no resistance left, this is when it starts getting fun for some of these coins. You've seen it from Cardano right now. You saw it with Solana the other day, right? This is when the coins can start going absolutely nuts. Hopefully we get to that point with Bitcoin at some point. Dash. Got you on Dash NG. Holy moly, Dash is going off too. Wow. Dash is performing pretty well here, huh? Wow. Let's clear that out though. Let's bring out your fibs on Dash. Dash is smashing these fibs like they're butter. Wow. No, but on Dash, I mean, I don't really see you having anything until, you know, look at our fibs, but yeah, right about there, 289. I think you continue up to 289 here, pretty unscathed, right? Pretty unscathed. 289 is coming up. Simple as that. You got nothing in between. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. 289 is coming. ADA, 280 is on the way right now. 280. If we hit 280, we're playing the pump song again. Let's friggin' go. I will do a dance if I see $3 ADA. Chavai, you better do the dance, man. I better see you do the dance. Do the little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Hey, get down tonight. Do a little dance. Come on, Bitcoin. I want to see Java get liquidated here. Only 140 more bucks for Java to get liquidated. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Pump up tonight. Hey, pump up tonight. Next fib level is 338. Yes, sir. 338. That's our next fib. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Alright, we're chilling right now. Anything else really going off right now? I think nothing that I'm seeing is really going off, at least on the big guys. Nothing really else is going off. Solana's kind of been chilling the last few days. I don't think that's going to last very long, though. I do not think that's going to last very long on Solana. So this is why, like, Solana went... See, when Solana broke its all-time highs, guys? It went straight up to its 1.618 Fibonacci and pulled back perfectly, right? That's why I say don't be surprised. Like, I'm not going to say Cardano's going to go up to 338. But don't be surprised if it does. I would not be surprised if it does before a pullback. Look at your daily RSI. This is the 4-hour RSI, but should go a little bit higher here. Hey Jay, love the streams. We look at CTSI. Yeah, sure, dude. Gotcha, Kevin. CTSI. Kind of a nothing burger here, huh? It's kind of consolidating. Not perfect, but you get the general sentiment. I mean, you're just making lower highs, higher lows for the inevitable next move. I mean, the trend is up, right? The trend is up. You came up from a pump. Most likely this moves back up to the upside, assuming Bitcoin stays stagnant or up. These altcoins are going to keep moving up. So let's take first the fibs here. It's golden pocket. That's the level. High, where you wick to, right? So between 120 and 125, that's the big level that if you break up from this, that's the big level to break. Let me actually bring out the EMA ribbon. Yeah, you can see how this is acting. Look at how nicely it's acting as support here. Yeah, I think as this starts getting to the end, you're gonna break this up, in my personal opinion. Like, look at how beautiful this 4-hour EMA ribbon's been support. It's freaking beautiful. Like, it's like a rainbow, man. Can't make that stuff up. So yeah, like I said, 120, 125. What I'm seeing there. I'm just not seeing any of these altcoins dropping. Always watch Bitcoin on these altcoins, though. If Bitcoin dumps, it's going to turn any bullish sentiment down with the altcoins too. Right? Proud. So can you look at Tezos? I got you, Proud Gun. I really just want to see Java get liquidated, but unfortunately, I don't think it. Well, still could happen. We're still so close, like so close to Java getting liquidated. Maybe we'll have to wait till tomorrow, but 386 is that level. High. Otherwise, and this is your next wick high, right? Is 413. So you get back over this level here, 413. And then if we're just looking at basic support and resistance looking left, it's right there. Previous low, high, high, previous low. That's a big area right there at 441. So 413, 441 are the next ones for Tezos. And once again, your daily EMA ribbons, perfect support on the way up here. Perfect support. So we'll watch that as we go. But Tezos, just like everything else, is looking good to kind of continue up here. To be honest, we're 150, dude. We only need 150 more bucks, guys. If you got some extra cash, just kidding. Everyone get their sticks out. Poke Bitcoin. Go a little bit higher here. Ugh. Do a little dance. Sorry, guys. I keep yawning, dude. It's been a long day for me. Waterfly said, I'm going on vacation this week too, Jor. Are we related? Yeah, we're both going to Florida, man. You didn't know? You didn't know you're coming on to Florida? You're hanging out with me, Bob, and sort of Karen. Me, Bob, Karen, and forget my friggin' brother's name. What the heck, dude? Jabba. Cardano. Yeah, 178. We're waiting on 180 here. He's just chilling like a villain. My stick's not long enough. My stick stays in my safe. Any thoughts on ICP?
Nope, nope, nope.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
ICP? I'm not a big ICP fan. I guess it's not so bad now. Because let's be honest, guys. Like, most coins are going to move up now as long as the market moves up. ICP hasn't performed too bad here. It's done a 2x since the bottom. Like I said, most of it's just kind of fake hate. I mean, it came out at a really bad time. So I know I give grief for ICP. But it came out at a really, really bad time. And it was obviously overvalued when it came out. It probably had as relative fair value now. Maybe slightly overvalued, but the altcoins really care if they're overvalued? Not really. If you're in a bullish trend, they're going to continue up. But yeah, you're just in an uptrend. Watch for the break. I assume if Bitcoin continues up, you're going to break this. And you don't really have much after that. ICP can move pretty quickly here, honestly. To the 236, right up at like 105 bucks. So if you break 71, 72 bucks, you can move up straight up to 105 pretty fast because you have nothing in between. It was just straight down. That's the good thing about ICP is if you start moving here, you got nothing looking left. So this thing can move pretty fast if it wants to. It's just it has to have the demand to make it want to push it up. But just gonna have that demand. Has the ICP team bought back in yet? Who knows? Who knows? All right. 49,500 for BTC as we continue to move up here. Shave said Matic looks like it wants to break out. Let's check Matic. Yeah, Matic's been already kind of moving here on the daily. I mean, each daily looks pretty damn good. Unless you're looking at like the hourly. Yeah. On the hourly, looks like it wants to come back down and test this sort of downwards channel. I wouldn't call this a bull flag, but definitely wants to come up and test the downwards channel to break out. Look at that daily Matic's been moving. You know, you had 4 daily green candles in a row here. All right, here's Java. Java's about to get liquidated. Here we go. Here goes Java, bro. Java's dead. Java's liquidated. Again. He never closes his shorts, guys. Holy crap. No, we'll go visit Java in a second, though, guys. But 49,660 right now for BTC. We're getting that move up here. Let's go see if we let's go see if we test the highs. Java's gone. 49,670. Where is this much coming from? I don't know, man. I don't friggin' know. Do you think the BTC bull cycle will end in 2021 or early 2022? I'm thinking early 2022. Personally, man, I think we're going to see a little bit longer of a cycle this time. Just think about it. We're already coming up on the end of 2022. You know, if we're thinking 100K Bitcoin, you're gonna have to move up pretty damn fast here. It's a lot of money coming in. You know, so I'm thinking I think we top out this cycle, the middle of the beginning to the middle of next year, I think. So 49,700 for BTC. We're moving up here, going to test our highs, boys. Let's friggin' go. Let's friggin' go. Let's go visit Java here real quick. My shirt! My shirt! No! No! I don't want to return you! I don't want to return you! 49,800? Bro, we were all the way down here! We were all the way down here like 20 minutes ago! I don't want to return you. Come on, man. This is ridiculous. Every time I'm doing a good short. Every time. I don't take profits. This is why all trade. This is why most traders lose money. They don't take profits. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you so much, sir. I'm gonna miss you so much. Holy crap, I'm blurred. Yeah. Java, don't worry, dude. I will get you your shirt, okay? Java, I'll pay for your shirt, man. I'll pay for your shirt. Don't worry about it, dude. I'll buy it. Stop crying. Please stop crying. I'm trying to stream. I'll pay for your shirt. Don't worry. Give me your credit card info. I'll pay it all for you, okay? Jeez. All right. We're pushing 49,800 though as we speak right now on BTC. Let's freaking go. Look at Cardano. Holy moly. 284 on Cardano. We're hitting $3. We are hitting $3 like it's butter. Okay? Like it's freaking butter. Let's freaking go. We need some, you know what we need? We need, you know what we need right now? See if we can get something good in here. Oh yeah. Holy moly. That's not what I want. Holy moly, what's up with that, dude? Alright. What is this? Whoa! What's good? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who? Alright, we're getting off that. We're going back to the helmet, man. 283. Don't look him in the eyes. 249, 731. You'll need that one shortly. Doge filter is stirring itself. Sure, what do you do when we're not here? You don't want to know. You don't want to know what I do when you guys aren't here. When I'm not on stream, you have no idea what I do. We're going to keep it that way. All right. Let's see if Bitcoin can make highs, guys. We don't want to top out here. Right? It's definitely what we don't want to do. I don't think we're going to do it, but it's definitely what we don't do. You guys said we're going to hit 50K tonight. It was looking dire. It was looking pretty dire. Now we're right there. We are right there. We're $200 away from 50K. Literally $200 away from 50K. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you press that subscribe button for the pump song. If it's not for me, press it for the pump song and for Java. For Java's tiers. Yeah. All this pump was worth the 3-month wait. Definitely was, man. I mean, like I said, even if this... Not saying it is. Even if this ends up being a dead cat bounce, I'll take that all day. All my altcoins did at least a 2x. Some of them did a 3x. Some of them did a 6x. Right? I'll take that all damn day. The bears are just salty that they missed out on this. So they like to say, oh, dead cat bounce, dead cat bounce. That's fine. That's fine. I'll take my 2, 3, 6 X's on my altcoins all day. All day. People in the stock market would be happy to get a 2x on their stuff in 10 years. 10 years, 5 years. I'll take that all day. 284. 285 right now on ADA, actually. 285. We're gonna party. There's a small resistance line at 48, at 49 to 50.2. I think there is. I think you're right, man. If you look left, let's go on the daily chart. I think there is. I think there was a low right at this level. Yeah, there's a little peak low right here. Right here. See this little peak low? That's where you're kind of getting some resistance on right now. That's really it. Like, that's really it. There's a little high right here, too. But other than that, there's really not much else, dude. Really not much else. Signing of it dancing and no music. Robert said, Robert became a Joy Night member. What's going on, Rob? Hope you're doing good. Jordan Bob, what? ADA is a stable coin. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. We just slice that like butter. friggin' go, boys. Let's friggin' go. We just smashed that high like it was butter. Let's say we continue up now, right? We don't want this to sort of stall out. What's the volume look like on this pump? Let's see if all the volume freaks can come in here. All the volume freaks. Let's get rid of this. And let's get the volume out. Volume on this pump is pretty low. But we'll see what happens, right? We're only halfway through the hour. If we can continue some of this volume coming in, I think we should be pretty good. Right now it's pretty low, but I think, like I said, we can continue getting some volume in here. We're looking good. We're looking real good. 49,840 right now on BTC. Here it goes. 49. Where's ETH? ADA's chilling right now, guys. We're continue to watch ADA as we go. ETH is at 32.67 as we speak. Looks like altcoins are starting to move up here too. Look at AVAX. Yeah, I know Avalanche has done pretty well the last few days. Avalanche. The Lanch of the Ava. Yeah, Avalanche is going nuts. Holy crap. Avalanche broke its highs too. Avalanche. Yeah, Avalanche is going nuts, man. Freaking crazy. 49,900 right now for BTC. See if we can smack 49,900. Seems like we're getting a little resistance here for some reason. Let's see if ETH can best not be in a biz. Don't worry, man. I will pump ETH. I'll pump ETH. Don't worry about ETH. Right? Once we break this resistance level right here, which if we don't do it on stream, I'll do it at holy 49.9 for BTC. $49.9 for BTC. No, but what I was saying, guys, don't worry about ETH. After the stream, I will do my magic for ETH. Okay, don't worry. I will lay it down, and I will lay it down good for ETH. We will break this trend line, and we will break out of this inverse head and shoulders to the upside. So don't worry about ETH. She's gonna break out after the stream. Okay, don't you guys worry. Thoughts on Telcoin? We did Telcoin a little bit earlier, my man. I'll look at it real quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but real quick, dude. 3.1. You're going up to 3.1. That's your next resistance, right? Your last previous high. You don't really have anything in between here and 3.16. That's your next resistance on that, my man. But we went over it earlier. Not much really else to say on it besides that, dude. We need to break the 50K sell wall. If we do, we're pretty good. I'm from the future. Bob shorted at $1 million. Java's the shorter. Bob only invests in meme coins. Bob invests in Dogecoin and Shiba and SafeMoon. Up 50K on my ADA trade. That is awesome. That's not counting my state data. Holy crap, JD. Congrats, my man. That's what I like to see. I like to see everyone make these freaking gains. It's literally insane what some of these coins are doing right now, man. I hope you guys are enjoying this time. Not like taking for granted the time that we're like I hope you guys aren't taking for granted the time that we're in crypto right now. You know, because at some point, guys, this doesn't go on forever, right? So as bullish as I am for going forward here, at some point this will end, right? So I hope everyone is enjoying the moment. right? And enjoying that enjoying these coins doing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's. There's even some high cap coins doing 4 or 5 X's. Solana, Avalanche, right? I'm not gonna go through all of them. Right? Most coins have done a 2x. A lot of coins have done a 3x. There's even coins that have done 4x's at this point. Since it's nuts what these coins are doing right now. So I hope you guys are having fun. With it. Also being smart, right? Make sure you guys have a plan to, if you guys are holding for long term, perfect. Keep them in there, hold for long term. If you guys are holding for short term, make sure you have a take profit plan, all right? Seriously. I know it's fun that we sit here, everything's going to the moon, right? Make sure you have a take profit plan if that's your strategy. If your strategy is to hold long term, perfect. Even more better. But you guys get my point, right? So 280 on ADA. 280 on ADA. Don't worry. ETH will break out after the stream. I'll come in and lay it down good. In those sweet Alright, we can't go there actually. In those sweet watery, who can fill in the blank? Did I miss something in here? No, I think I'm good. We didn't miss anything. Alright, Bitcoin chilling at 49.8. It's a pretty good spot to chill at. Not too mad with that. Fractional disparity, moving the majors. Bullish until crypto was bigger than real estate. Facts. Absolutely facts. We are living in the now, Jordan. I guess we all live in the now. I don't blame everyone. I am too. You know? You'll give ETH a pickle. $50K coming to 12-hour stream. Unpack those bags. Seriously, it's literally gonna happen the day before I go on vacation. No, but in all seriousness, if Bitcoin does hit 50K while I'm gone, I'll be doing a 12-hour stream probably when I get back. I'll be doing it when I get back, probably on the weekend closest to when Bitcoin hits 50K. Right, so if Bitcoin hits 50K today, I'll do it when the weekend I come back. If Bitcoin hits 50K some point next week. Anyways, I'm probably at this point it's probably inevitable. I'm probably gonna end up doing it, next Saturday. So not next Saturday, the Saturday after that. So that should be pretty fun. It seems pretty inevitable at this point, unless this is just sort of some fake out here. But we have 50K here. There it is. There it is. I got to own up to it. It's one step closer to the no Dogecoin tattoo. I remember I'm not gonna get too cocky now, right? There's still a lot can happen. This could still end up going down, right? I don't want anyone to ever get too cocky, right? Always have an open mind of any time of a possible reversal. That's why I was showing you guys this fractal here of a possible reversal type pattern, right? Was playing out. That's why I showed you guys this earlier, because I always guys want you to have an open mind of the bearish scenario, right? But how did we nullify this bearish scenario? Well, it was to pump up here instead of come down. And look what we're doing right now. We're pumping up, and as of right now, nullifying this bearish scenario. We're nullifying that bearish scenario right now as we speak. But we got to get continuation here. We got to get some continuation in order to nullify the bearish scenario. Like I was saying, guys, I don't want to get too cocky. We're always going with that. I don't want to get too cocky, but we're getting closer and closer to the no Dogecoin tattoo. Everyone was laughing at me when we were down at 29, 30K for making that bet. I told you guys, I was confident at Bitcoin doing something like this by the end of the year. Everyone was laughing at me down there. Bitcoin's not going to 65K by the end of the year. Bitcoin's not going to 65K in a year. Not saying it still might not happen, right? Still might not happen. I'm still confident in that decision. Pretty damn close now. Pretty damn close now. Obviously, we're not there yet. I'm not counting my chickens yet. But that's why I was confident, man. That's why I was confident in Bitcoin. All right. ETH is making its way up to this resistance line, though. 49,910. That's the trick. It sounded like a bear right now. I'm not a bear. I'm just a realist. Right? I don't like to be. I might act like a moon boy on stream, but in reality, I am a realist. Right? I'll go to work tomorrow like if he did a 12-hour stream. Watch around the blockchain and repeat like Bob does every night. That's too funny. That's too funny. How many peeps we got in here right now? Holy moly, we still got 1,800 peeps in here. It's almost 10 o'clock. That's nuts. We're at 1,200 likes. That's crazy. Guys, can we break all-time high likes? All-time high likes, I think, was 1,400. Can we smack all-time high likes again tonight? We've done it like 3 times in the last couple weeks. Can we do it again? 1,400 likes, I think, is somewhere around there is the all-time high for likes. And I think we can easily smack that here as Bitcoin pushes 50K on stream. How could we not? How can we not like that, guys? Seriously. AVAX is pumping again. Dude, Avalanche is going nuts, man. I'm trying to find a good chart on it. The Qcoin. Look at Avalanche, 52 bucks. You went from $9 all the way up to 52 bucks. You're talking a 5x. A 5x on Avalanche. Literally in a couple weeks. That is insane. This is what I mean, man. Enjoy the time that we're getting right now. Even if you're not an Avalanche. Look at the awe. Like, you don't see this in any other market. It's not like this is some small cap coin. Like, Avalanche, guys, there's a lot of money coming to the market. Like, this is nuts. Avalanche is not some small cap coin. Avalanche is number 23 in market cap. Like, to see a coin number 23 in market cap, an $8 billion market cap, do a 5x in the span of, like, in a month, that is nuts, dude. That's insane. Look at the Binance USD chart. 50.1K. The Binance chart. Binance USD. Oh, that's USDT. Binance USD. Nope. I'm struggling right now. Hold on. Now I'm typing in Binance. Jeez. Bitcoin. Binance USD. Where's USD? That's BUSD. Binance US. 49,936. I don't know, man. I'm seeing 49. No matter which Binance one I'm clicking on. But, yeah. Nuts. George finished stream. All right, George, oh yeah, it's the Sunday stream. It's nuts. Hit ETH in a wrap. There goes BTC, guys. Dude, Bitcoin's hitting 50K tonight. If Bitcoin doesn't hit 50K while I'm on stream tonight, I'm going to pass out on the floor. I will literally pass out on the floor right now. I'm staying on right now until Bitcoin's hitting 50K. I don't care how long it takes. Okay? I got a week-long vacation coming up. I don't care how long it takes. I'm staying on right now until Bitcoin hits 50K. Probably. If it's like 10-15, it's not. I probably won't stay on. But we'll see what it does here. Bears getting wrecked. They are getting wrecked. The Bears always getting wrecked. The Bears will take any little win and be like, "See, I told you Bitcoin's dipping," and it'll dip like 1 or 2%. And you're like, "Dude, are you serious?" And then it'll turn around and do this. Like the Bears were like the Bears before the stream started were probably all getting ready to pump to troll the stream while Bitcoin was doing this. And then they all went away when Bitcoin did this. They all went away. Okay? They all went away. It's too funny. Start at the 12 now. But yeah, the Bears will take any little victory they can get. Holy crap, Bitcoin's down 1%. I told you. I told you. Meanwhile, you zoom out and you're like, you told me what? What'd you tell me? I don't know what you told me, man. No idea. We're just chilling. It's actually kind of, I think it's pretty bullish that we're just staying right here. Like, we're not just like, we didn't get like some huge wick back down. We're kind of just chilling right at this level. What's up, MT? Thanks for hanging in, man. Hey, I'm used to it at this point. I mean, I usually stream for this long. BTC USD. On Binance. 50,120 on this chart. But all the other ones are saying it's not. So can I take one for saying that it is? Even though the other ones are saying that it's not? I don't know if that's valid. I don't know if that's valid, man. So you know what? We're not counting that one. We're not counting that one. The Binance chart. 50,117 on Binance. That's pretty crazy. Bitcoin 50,243 on crypto.com at. Yeah, apparently it's on 50,000 on a couple of them. It's crazy seeing 5-0, isn't it? Like, especially all the time we spend in the low 30Ks. It's pretty crazy to see 5-0. I feel like that was just yesterday we were at 30K. Doesn't it? I feel like that was literally just yesterday. 50K or bust. 1.5 all-time high likes. Crypto goes up. What are we at right now? 1.5 likes. Holy crap, man. Thanks for the support, guys. That's awesome. That's really awesome. It's a good way to go out. I'll be here tomorrow too, but it's I guess it's a good way to, it's a good 8th inning, right? Tomorrow's the 9th inning. Now we got to close it up. I'm waiting for 50K on this chart though, on the Coinbase chart. We will hit it. But yeah, anyways, guys, we're coming up on the next big resistance, right? The biggest resistance. 50K is not really that important in my opinion. What's important is 51 to 52, the golden pocket zone. That's the level that we got to watch for here. That's going to be a tough bugger. Or Bitcoin could just do the unthinkable, right? And can either fake us out, right? Fake us out right here. We've been talking about this. We either got to fake out and don't even go up to it, or Bitcoin just decides to annihilate us or get us so pumped and do this. Like I've been saying, guys, I think it's too obvious for Bitcoin to just come up here and pull back. Everyone's looking for that level. So something's got to give. It's either going to get front run on a sell-off, or we're so bullish right now that, you know, people are looking at this as taking profits, but no one's really going to be taking profits, and it's just gonna blast through it. I just don't think it's going to play out unless it's like some self-fulfilling prophecy where we go up to it and we pull back just because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. But it's going to be interesting to see when we get up there what actually happens for BTC. Actually, let's do a quick poll. Let's do a quick poll. What do you think happens when we reach the golden pocket? Let me do 3 options. We pull back before we hit it, or we dip when we hit it, or we blast right through it, or we consolidate right under it. All right, what do you think happens when we reach the golden pocket? You got 4 options there. 4 options, all right? Seriously. You got 4 options. So we pull back before we hit it, we dip when we hit it, we blast through it, or we consolidate right under it. Pull back. This pull. Consolidate. We moon boy. We moon boys. Wow, it looks like 20K. Marcella, it does look like 20K. I thought we were at 20K. What happened? I thought we were going down there. MT said sell orders getting bought up like cotton candy at the state fair. No, man. Cotton candy at the local fair. Cotton candy at the state fair is not scarce. It's too easy to find cotton candy at the state fair. At a local fair, they run out like ice cream at McDonald's, right? So that's why it's the local fair. Dusty said, Jordan, can you check out the DXY? Yeah, the DXY, it's the weekend, so it hasn't really moved since, obviously, but looks like it's dipping right now. So I thought it was going to go up a little bit higher. It still could. But we know it's in a big wedge, right? I'm expecting this to move back down. And if this starts moving back down and breaks down from this wedge, I think crypto is going to be moving extremely, extremely well if this breaks down here, right? Now, it doesn't have to necessarily play out like this, but that's just kind of how I saw it. But if this breaks down from this wedge, which we know these wedges have been beautiful, don't count out the wedge, right? I'm seeing a move back down to 89 on the DXY, which would be super, super bullish for crypto. Even though crypto's been pumping, even when this has been going up, but nevertheless, we want this to dip anyways. IR said, what the? I went to put the kids to bed and grab some dinner. Jabba wrecked. Yeah, you missed Jabba. Jabba was crying over his shirt. He cried. It's soaked now with his tears. Jabba cries a lot, so the amount of tears that we've had to get him a few deaths because they get so soggy. What's up, Nick? Keep up the good work. I definitely will keep up the good work, man. Appreciate the kind words on you enjoying the stream, and yeah, I love doing it, man. My favorite part of every day, honestly. Let's see. Let me refresh here. 49868. Come on, BTC. Can you just break this damn level, please? I'm begging you. Break this damn level. What's the pump song called? I forget. I honestly have no idea. I honestly have no idea what it is. Someone would probably know in the stream here. But I honestly have no idea what it's called. I couldn't even figure out how to tell you. Actually, when it plays, what you can do when it plays, get your iPhone out and go and say, Siri, what is this song? And it will tell you what the name of the song is. That's your best bet, man. That's your best bet. That's your best bet. I don't know. I don't even know where my phone is. So, phone? I don't know what it is. Poolside stream on vacay. I want to do it once. I got to see if my phone, if I can stream from my phone. If my phone lets me stream, I will definitely do it for sure. Definitely do it. Guys, make sure if you're new to the stream, make sure you guys press that subscribe button right down below. All right? Make sure you press that button. Thoughts on AVAX? Yeah, dude, AVAX is going absolutely bonkers. Like AVAX, like it went from everyone saying it was struggling. I remember people were like, "Oh, Avalanche is struggling," to just going absolutely berserk. $9 to $53 for a high cap. That's incredible. It's gone. It's gone. It's in price discovery. So good luck, man. I mean, this thing. What's your next fib level on this thing? Technically, next fib level on this is $66. So good luck, man. I don't own Avalanche. I've always thought about getting some, but I actually don't own some. But $66 is your technical next target. Happy for anyone that has this, man. That's some serious gains right there. Really, in a really quick time frame. I mean, really, it's from like right here. Like the last week has been insane. That's nuts. Don't want to hold back. Crypto style today for the Bitcoin price. Today for the Bitcoin price. BitBoy does phone stream all the time. BitBoy does phone videos. I want to do phone streams, which I will do if I can figure it out. I will do it. Okay, it's just a matter of me figuring it out. I'm like a grandpa when it comes to that stuff. Just kidding. I'm really not. I'm actually pretty good with technology, but I will figure it out, and I will do it if my phone allows me to do it, for sure. OSU, thanks for streaming when crypto is fun and when it is not. Here's to a beverage on vacation. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Yeah, like not every day is this fun, man. I mean, it was 3 months of like not having fun. Like, it's a lot easier to stream now because like there's a lot more to talk about and stuff. When we were down here, it was like the same thing every day of Bitcoin, pretty much just going sideways, and trying to tell people to, stay in there, right? It's gonna bounce at some point. Like, make sure you're accumulating at these ranges. It could go lower, but still a good time to buy. Like, it was 3 months of just that, like, oh, blah, 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 blah. So it's exciting to, finally get out of that range and be having fun. I mean, it's been a month already, so I can't really say it's the start of it, but yeah, down here was interesting time. Very interesting time. But you could kind of notice the sentiment shift, right? So people were still excited about crypto on this half, and then we started to get to this second half, and that's when people started to like die off, right? That's when people, like, you could tell by like the stream numbers, you can tell by just the basic sentiment in the chat. Everyone was getting bearish, right? Everyone was getting salty. Everyone was, it was interesting. And then all of a sudden you can tell around that time where like everyone was starting to flip bearish, right? I even thought we were going to go a little bit lower. I thought we were going to go to like 25 to 27K, which was our golden pocket zone, right? And then bounce from 27K. That was kind of what I was thinking when we round out here. I thought we were going to like 27-ish and then bouncing back up. That was always my thought. But we didn't, which was nice. And then see how quickly the sentiment shifts, guys. I mean, everyone and their mother was bearish over here. And now everyone and their mother's bullish. Crypto is a crazy game, man. It really is. Don't talk about. Yeah. How do you buy Bitcoin? I don't know, man. My grandma's gonna ask me soon. I think my family's gonna start asking me about crypto when it gets to like 60K. When they see 60, that's when they're gonna start asking me about crypto again. How about BitBoy's thumbnail yesterday? Don't buy Bitcoin. I understand what he's saying, right, guys? So a lot of people are taking BitBoy's video out of context, right? All he's really saying is, don't buy Bitcoin right now unless you have a long-term mindset, right? Because right now is an interesting time in crypto. Even if you're super confident in it going up. Dusty was still salty and still buying. Well, you're not an idiot now. I mean, you're doing pretty well now, especially with altcoins. But a lot of people are taking what he's saying out of context, right? All he's saying is right now is a risky time to buy. Unless if you're holding long term, it's not, right? It's not a risky buy in long term. We all kind of know where crypto's going up to a certain point, right? But right now in the cycle, it's a risky time to buy. We don't know if, as confident as we can be, confident as I am, as we are continuing up to all-time highs this year. No one really knows, right? We could easily go back down here. We could easily go back up here. I think all he was really telling people is don't buy right now unless you have a long-term mindset or you're okay with your portfolio being low. And he's right? He's right. Not many people can stomach their portfolio being down 50, 60, 70%, right? Who in here can stomach their portfolio being down 50, 60, 70%? It's not a lot of people, right? So I get where he's coming from with that scenario because most people can't. Most people are, if their portfolio drops by 70%, they're going to panic sell and then be pissed off that you told them to buy, right? Let's be honest. So he's being honest. Now, what I don't understand is him saying that and then him saying that Cardano's going to hit $150 the next day. That's a little weird, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Hagen. You know how it is. We hit the lows and nobody wants to buy, but we get near all-time high, people FOMO in. Facts. Been there. Yeah, most of us have been there, man. Most of us have been there. I mean, there's been times my portfolio's been down a lot. I was buying coins up here, and I was dollar cost averaging down here, thinking that we're going to continue up. For a long time, my portfolio was down 90%, a plus down here, man. Then I bought more, dollar cost average down. So most people don't have the patience to do that, but I think everyone's been at that point where their portfolio has been down 50+%, unless you panic sold. I have a feeling starting this week, crypto starts to become more mainstream. CNBC is going to be tripping all over itself tomorrow morning talking about BTC. Yeah, I mean, that's usually a time where it's usually not good, right? Usually you don't want to see these news stations start talking bullish about crypto. That's usually a bad sign up to a certain point. I wouldn't want to see that until we get to new all-time highs. If we start seeing that now, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. If we start seeing regular news stations, because when the news stations get bullish, that's when the general public gets bullish, right? And then that's when they start FOMOing in, and that's when the whales wreck them. Okay, so we don't want that just yet. We want a little bit higher before the general public comes in. I think we don't want that right now. Unless you guys want it. Unless you guys want a quick pump and dump. I want a sustained market here. So I don't want the noobs. I don't want the newbies FOMOing in yet. The newbies start FOMOing in now. I don't think that's a good thing. BitBoy literally said in his video he doesn't think it will get over 10 this year. Yeah, Sean, I didn't actually watch the video. I thought someone I heard through the grapevine that he said it was 150K. Apparently, guys, BitBoy did not say it'll hit 150K this year. He did not say that. Okay, just putting that out there, just so it doesn't get spread falsely anymore. He did not say that. That's what I heard, so I'm just saying what I heard. But yeah, I think at this point, I mean, you're at 280 for Cardano. If Bitcoin keeps going up, I could see Cardano get to maybe $10 tops, right? $10 tops this year. I don't see it going much higher than that this year. Now, going into next year, who knows, right? Depending how high Bitcoin goes. Who knows, man? I'm still under the assumption that we top out this cycle towards the end of, or not towards the beginning or middle of next year. Look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Just continue to go up on the weekly. Look at this, guys. Just about to get a 6 weekly candle if this continues here. 6 weekly candle in a row. Which right here we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, right there we did 7. 2017, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess we did 9 in 2017. But yeah, that's awesome. All right, guys, it's friggin' 10:11. We hit 50K on the other chart, on the Bitcoin Binance chart. Okay, so we'll count that. We'll count that. But I got some more packing to do and stuff tomorrow and tonight, actually. So I'm gonna get off here. As always, pleasure hanging out with you guys. I will be on tomorrow. Tomorrow's my last day before vacation. So make sure you guys are here. Hopefully Bitcoin can go up to that golden pocket and smash it. Let's actually read that poll real quick. What do you think, what happens when we reach the golden pocket? So 18% of people said we pull back before it. 22% of people said we dip when we hit it. 41% of people said we blast through it. You guys are crazy, man. I wouldn't put Bitcoin past it to just say we blast through it, but you guys are crazy. 41% of people think we blast through it. That's crazy. And then 19% of people said we consolidate right under. So pretty evenly split besides we blast through it. You guys are crazy. So AMC is taking off right now, said Lukic. I have a feeling started this week. That's facts. That's definitely facts. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 to 10 Eastern Standard Time. Let's have another good stream tomorrow before I sail off into the sunset. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday night. Whatever we have left of it. Catch you guys later. All right. Peace.